Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. Welcome to day 3 of the Tradeify Grand Cup. It's all happening. We are halfway through the week. We've only got today, Thursday, and then Friday as the last days to be trading for the qualifiers. It's your last couple of days to make it through to secure your place into round 2. So, guys, if you had a shit start to the week, you know what? Use Wednesday to reset, refocus, lock in, guys. There are still a couple more days of this week left, so you can turn things around. I like to use Wednesday as the reset day. Whether I had a bad or good start to the week, Wednesday is to reset, refresh, and just lock back in. I hope everyone's doing amazing regardless of Grand Cup things. I hope you guys are all crushing it in the charts. It's Wednesday. I hope everyone's ready for a 3-hour lock-in session right now with us. We do have a very special guest joining us later today as well. Someone known the London session very well. And of course, the Dictator, the no stop loss butcher, I should call him, will also be joining us later today, as usual. So before we start, let me say good morning to you all. Good morning, Southern Boy, first comment of the day as usual. Good morning, the Ripper A. Good morning, Leia. Good morning, Satish. Good morning, Big Fatace. Good morning, Rusty. J Trades. Good morning, Henrik. Andrea. Good morning. Good morning, G for Geo, Mr. Solo Leveling, Isaac. Jared the Trader, Sakib, Laurencia. I get that right every time, Laurencia, by the way. I fixed it. Hater, good morning, Ik Meek. Mandeep Trades, L2 Sticks, Claudiu, Ignizio, Lizard Trades is here, Maricut King, aka Brandon is here, Skibbity Toilet, Alice, good morning, Black Teckle, Orchids Path, I'm Manu Maz, Joshua, Kayla, Sherry, Big Dave. All right, everyone is here. Welcome to the little 3-hour London session. We're about to get into this. By the way, I can't wait to hear where you guys are all at with your trading, because yesterday we had quite a few of you in the top 100 of the Grand Cup. So I'm excited, very excited to see how you guys are tracking in the Grand Cup. But before all that, let's get into NQ. As usual, I'll do my top-down analysis on NQ. I will let you know what I'm looking for, and then I will throw it to you guys. You can tell me if you're in trades already, what you're seeing in the charts, and we will get straight into it. So this is NQ. This is the daily chart. Right now, what we're seeing is a daily inside candle, so we're yet to sweep out that previous day's high or low. Previous day high level is sitting at 29,188.50, and we have previous day low sitting at 28,663. Yesterday's candle was a bearish candle closure on the daily chart, which inverted this bullish gap. So for me, that signals that we could be heading, there is some bearish strength here, and considering that we have inverted that bullish daily gap, we potentially could be heading down into, like I said yesterday, this bullish gap is the next level I'm sort of expecting us to drop into, but then hold this level and retrace out of and head back for those all-time highs. Right now, there are some obviously new updates with the Trump-Iran situation. From what I've read and what I've heard, is Trump is signaling that there could potentially be another attack on Iran. I'm not 100%, but he is talking that way. So potentially that is why we're seeing that fear come back into the markets and investors, and we're seeing the prices drop below the 29,000 level again on NQ here. So the bears are coming out to play. Geopolitical, the situation there is still unstable right now. So that's why the markets, I think, are a little bit shaky as well. We do have FOMC minutes also today. That is not the same as normal FOMC data release. It is just the meeting minutes. So it's not as a strong reaction we'll see, but it is news regardless. It is red folder news. So there will be some volatility later today with that. Right now, though, we have got a lot of these equal lows here on the 4-hour. Interesting. And we also have this sort of bearish downward trend that we're seeing on the hourly. We're continuing to make lower lows here. So for me right now, I would prefer to see this is the current 1-hour candle. So no bottom wick here on the 1 hour. I would love to see us sweep out previous 4-hour high, which is also that Asia high, sitting at 29,017. If we can scoop up those highs, sweep up there, and then I would be happy to take shorts today into Asia low even to take out that swing low, that previous day low level. That is what I'm looking at. I'm not sure if we will get into a previous day high. I'm assuming if we are going to remain in this bearish downtrend right now, probably just scoop out those Asia high, those key levels up there, and then continue this drop. But for now, it is an inside candle on the 4 hour, so nothing for me to get involved with as well. Also, that 4 hour has just opened and popped up, so that is nice. If it continues to trend up here, to trade up, that works good for the shorts, because I do want to be in that potential downwick of the 4 hour candle. So we'll see what happens in the session today. Not going to force anything as usual. You know, we've got to stay disciplined here, guys. And it is tournament, so we have to lock in. We have to focus. No stupid trading. Also, Asia session, well, from my Asia kill zone session anyway, we had a 220-point move. But in saying that, we are now still inside of that Asia range. We haven't swept either Asia high or low. So right now, both those levels are still intact. So watching very closely, we are heading closer to that Asia high level. So interesting for the shorts potentially to play out here today. And shorts did play out yesterday. I did get into a second trade just as we were ending the stream yesterday. You guys would have seen I did post afterwards. Where was it? Yes, these were the trades I took yesterday. So the first sell obviously took on stream with you guys, and then took out at just at these equal lows here on the 1 minute, and then we continued to drop. Had a bit of a pullback, and then I got in this inversion here that was just at 4:54 a.m. So just a few minutes before we ended the stream yesterday while the giveaway was going on. So I didn't get to talk through that trade, but it was the exact same setup. I can quickly run through it. This is why it was the exact same reason I was in that first short. It was just a sort of a re-entry for me. So basically we had already had a sweep of previous 4 hour high. Previous 4 hour high was swept, so that gave me the bias direction that I wanted to be in trading for the session. And so I was only looking for shorts, and the only reason I got into the short at 4:54 was because we had an alignment with the 15-minute candle. So if I go back a little bit here, this was the 15-minute candle open. We dropped down a bit, but we came up to sweep that high. So 15-minute candle would have been looking like this. So little to no bottom wick on that 15-minute candle. So I am expecting us to drop to make that bottom wick. And then I was only entering if we had a bearish reaction on the 1 minute. So waiting to see if we inverted on the 1 minute. And oh, not yet. Wait, there is an inversion coming. All right, and then I got that inversion confirmed for me at 4:53. So that whole alignment there between the 4 hour and the 15 was perfect. And then holding that all the way for that previous 4 hour low. So that ended up being a really nice short. I think that total was, just stops at the high there. It was a 129-point short. So shorts, bears were out yesterday. I hope we can get a clean setup like that today. Would be lovely. And that was it. That was the trade. So yeah, let's see what today brings us. Let's see if bears want to come out. Not going to force anything. I did wait like a couple of hours. That first couple of hours I didn't get a trade, and then eventually I did get a trade. So I was patient, and the patience paid is what I want to say. All right, how are you guys doing though? Let's get a quick leaderboard update. One moment, I should have had that prepared. Leaderboard, where are you? I definitely should have had this prepared. Wait, there we go. All right, here is our leaderboard update. So amazing. We have got a shift to the first, second, third place order. Oh, why did that just... We don't want that. We want that. And we want that. All right, so this is the current standings of the qualifiers leaderboard. Right now, we still have Wall Street Matt in first place. He hasn't shifted from that top 3 place, which is amazing. Would love to talk to that guy. Like, how is he holding this position so strongly? Then we've got Candle Eater. funny username there. And then Donkey Kong in third place. So between $29,777 and that first place on $30,437 is little under $1,000 in profit difference. And then you've got Donkey Kong sitting on $29,015.46, which is roughly $700 between second and third place there. So it is still a very tight margin. But the thing is, you don't need to focus so much on what these guys are on, because technically, like we said yesterday, you just need to secure your place from in the top 1,000. So if we drop down to, here we go, guys. I'm much quicker at doing this now. So 1,000th place is currently sitting on $8,804. So that is the profit level right now to make. Yesterday, that was sitting during the London session was sitting on about 6,700. So we have gone up significantly since yesterday's London session. So that is the price to beat. If you guys are, wanting a target, that is your target. Don't worry about these $30,000 numbers. God knows how the hell they are managing to do that. I mean, probably silver, but anyway, who cares? Who cares? Because all you guys have to worry about is getting into that 1,000th place. That is all you need to make it to the second round. So, all right, let's get back to the charts. I'll leave that here. Now I can read the chat. How is everyone doing? All right, is it Desanti Trades 31st? All right, I gotta pull you up on here, Desanti Trades. 31st. Is that you, Francisco de Santiago? De Santiago. 31st place with $19,728 is a very nice spot to be in. You are sweet. I would say you probably don't need to trade the rest of the next couple of days. I reckon you're safe in this comp. Sahil Gupta, is there any prize money on qualifying? Yes, the top 1,000 places will get paid. The top, obviously the guy who manages to take out the entire competition to finish first will be awarded the $200,000, and also whatever bounties you guys collect along the way is yours to keep, which is $5,000 on most of the outlaws, but $25,000 if you catch Brett. So there's a lot of money to be won in this competition, that's for sure. See a few of you London gang in this top 100. 55th. Ooh, Claudia, you. I see you. 17,611. Also safe, in my opinion. With 17,000, I think you are sweet for the next couple of days. Morning Loop. Thank you. Thank you. Where is Rezi? Yes, the guy that was in here yesterday. Razak was his name. Can we find him? He was second place, and he did tell us that he was going for first place. And we warned him, like, we didn't think he needed to do that, but did he drop? Okay, that's him. He's still ranked 17. He's still safe in the competition. So, I mean, I can't remember what he was on yesterday. Potentially he didn't trade, but Razak, if you're listening, you're still killing it. Kyle says, Selena made 3.6K the other day. Real money. It was amazing. Wow. Kyle, that is insane. That is, when you think about it, sometimes people's whole month's salary, like, it is a lot of money. So just remember that is such a huge achievement. You did say it felt amazing, so I love that. You definitely understand 3.6K in the real world is a lot of money. Sometimes when it comes to prop, it doesn't sound like a lot, but in real life trading, that's a huge achievement. So well done to you. David says, I need to get a few K to secure now 779. I mean, 779th place, you are sort of on that borderline. There could be some people though, like, I think towards Friday, a lot of people are just going to be blowing up and blowing their accounts. So I wouldn't be pushing too hard. I'd probably be relying more on people to just blow their accounts. Big Fate says, poor shit bets is gone. Is he gone out of the competition? No, he was there. No, damn it. See, that's so fascinating because he was second or third place on that first day on Monday. Now he's out of the competition. So see how much things can change. So if you're feeling like you're way behind, and that guy who was just saying in the comment that he's 700th place, the guy who was second place is no longer in this comp. So you might be safer than you think. Sahil Gupta, my rank is 1,365. Any suggestions, Celine, so that I qualify? I mean, you're close. You also could be on that borderline where a lot of people could drop off and then you could potentially creep up. You only need 365 places at this stage in order to secure your spot. I don't know. For me, I would probably be still trading a little bit, but not so heavy. I wouldn't be risking too much because you are close. And then by Friday, I would expect more people to drop off. People that are way lower than you. And yeah. I'd still be trading though, just to secure it. Brandon says, I'm trading NQ and I'm in the top 300. Brandon, so you're not trading silver, just to be clear. M1, MC money, we're moving towards 4 hour. Yes, we are. All right, so I am watching NQ just to be sure, potentially, if we do sweep previous 4 hour high. That is also my Asia kill zone high. I'll be watching for a reversal trade to the downside today, as usual. Only reversal trades around here. And I do like that 4 hour. That 4 hour having little to no bottom wick is a nice day to be on the side of shorts. So let's see. What is this gray box that I have drawn? This is the daily. We can get rid of that. All right, I don't see any bearish gaps to the upside that I can use to react out of. So it's not going to be an A+ short because I do prefer to be shorting out of a high time frame bearish gap if I am looking for short. So we call this like an A setup if there is a short opportunity today. Looks like we are going to get that sweep. So we wait. Loop says exactly, things will change a lot in the end at the end of the 5 days. Yes. Yeah, watch out for like literally that last hour of trading on Friday. I think things will really rock the boat. So if you're like close to that 1000th rank right now, I wouldn't be stressing. What time at your place? Right now it's 4:18 p.m. in Melbourne. And it's freezing today, guys. Oh, I hate Melbourne weather now. Now we're really getting to that winter cold here and it's just freezing. Like I have a hot drink actually here to keep me warm because even though like it's 4 p.m, the sun should technically be out. It's just all clouds. There is no sun inside. Isaac says, I keep making rookie mistakes. Lol, I'll get back into the top 300 today. Isaac, I mean, there is no need to be in the top 300 at all right now. If you're in the top 1000 with a couple days to go, you should be safe. I wouldn't even be trying to push anymore for that top 300. 12 VAC 15k with 1 mini is 750 points. It depends what asset you're trading. You're talking about NASDAQ there, $20 a point, but there are multiple assets people could be trading. Drew, that is quite the random comment. Carol, Sydney is the same right now. Yeah, this is the worst time for Australian weather. All my Aussies down under, you guys know. Starts to get to the end of May, start of June, we start to get really cold. Not so much Queensland, but Melbourne and Sydney, Canberra, we all start to feel it. All right, so there's the pop. We just swept out previous 4 hour high. Right now, we don't have a bottom wick on the 15-minute. So that looks nice. I will be looking for now a bearish displacement on the 1 minute to confirm the short entry for me. So just still waiting. Haven't got that confirmation yet. Mexican Dance is out of the comp? No. Guys, Mexican Dance, are you here? You want to talk about it? Damn it. Damn, that hat is legitness. The African. Oh yeah, this is real outlaw style. By the way, I need to work on my West accent. It's not improving day to day. I keep saying that, but it's really not. Howdy, partner. I feel like that's not it. That's not Western. But I'll work on it. Roman, do you have central heating? Yes, Roman, I have heating. It's not good enough. Justin says payout day. Let's go, Justin. Wait, that deserves a money gun. Oh my. Are you serious? I swear this thing pranks me. Like, it does work. Just when I need it to, it doesn't want to work. Wait. Anyway, Justin, I tried to give you a money gun. So well done. Desante says you need a bucket hat. Well, I'm meant to be an outlaw, so no. Your money gun is so janky. Well, does someone want to buy me a new money gun? That would be nice. Where is your boomerang? You need your Western Aussie slang. No, I'm not. I'm not meant to be an Aussie, a Western cowgirl. I don't even know. I don't think that exists. So no boomerang for me. A Western voice definitely needs work. Oh yeah, I know. All right, relax, guys. By the way, we are definitely doing giveaways today. I'm gonna say 315 likes to bring Nick on today, and then 435 likes for the first giveaway. So make sure if you're just tuning in, smash the like button. We will 100% do the giveaway as soon as you get to that like target, 435 likes, and then the second giveaway if we get to the second like goal. Andrea, what? No, Andrea, you have no idea how bad I am with like horror films, movies, thrillers, and all that. So don't even say that. Andrea said the man behind the curtain is playing with it while you're asleep, Celine. That's why the money gun is not working in the morning. No, please. I can't. I'm the type of person who will watch a horror thriller and then I can't sleep for days because I think it's so real. It's a problem. And Anan Babank, I cannot say that. Do we just need to like to be included in the giveaway? You need to like, subscribe, and then also when Nick posts in the chat the giveaway form, you need to just put your details in there. So that is all you need to do. Don't worry, Nick will brief you guys when it's time for the giveaway. But to qualify for the giveaway, yes, you need to have liked and subscribed to the stream. That's the only way. Andrea says, okay, sorry. Yeah, please, Andrea, do not mention that guy behind the curtain again. Still no bearish inversion here on the 1 minute, so just gonna wait. Nothing of interest yet. By the way, my newsfeed for all those who follow Premier League, Arsenal won the league, and so my newsfeed is just all Arsenal. Anyone else relate? It's just every single video is like North London and the Emirates Stadium. I mean, it was 22 years since their last trophy, so I mean, I get all the excitement, but now my newsfeed is all Arsenal. My fiance is obviously an Arsenal supporter, so I've just been hearing about it all day. So to any Arsenal fans, congrats. Yeah, I knew there'd be someone here. Constantine, Cameron. Elias, do you trade in New York? No. Recently I haven't been because I am now in Melbourne. So I'm at the moment trading the Australia time zone, which it doesn't really help to be trading New York because it's 11:30 p.m. here when New York opens. So I haven't been lately, but I intend to when I move overseas in a couple of weeks, as I'll be back in a better time zone. So for now, I've just been able to trade London session and get some good trades in and not actually have to be awake at those crazy hours to trade New York. And I've enjoyed that, having early nights. Because in Bali, you guys know I was in Bali for the last year trading, and it's similar hours there for the New York session. So in Bali, I was trading New York session from like 10:30 when the time zone, when daylight savings or whatever kicked in. So it was 10:30 p.m. was it New York open till like 12:30 I was trading. So not ideal. Carol, a bit of VAR help, lol. I don't know. I'm not even gonna, I shouldn't have even opened the football talk here. Constantine, I was doing work on the side and I heard you mention the best team in Premier League and I had to respond. Well, best team in the Premier League? No, that's United, of course, Manchester. But Arsenal can be second. That's all good. They can take second. All right, so I didn't get the 1 minute inversion during that first 15-minute candle, so I'm now going to wait for the next 15-minute candle to open and hopefully sweep up its previous 15-minute high, but Oh, it is looking good. I mean, this current 15-minute candle with no bottom right now tells me we do want to drop. But because we're four minutes away from the new 15-minute candle open, I would probably expect us to pop back up above this high. This would be like B+ if I took this. Let me think. No, I don't like that reaction. I'm gonna wait. I will wait. I will be disciplined. BG Trade says, I am sorry. I thought I heard you say Man City is the best. No, ew. Never. Gross. City, never. Manchester United. Get it right. Dwight Palmer, what kind of bearish inversion are you looking for? A good one. No, but in all fairness, I'm looking for a displaced inversion. So I want to see the inversion happen with a strong bearish candle. I don't like to be in trades. It's never really a clean trade when it's like when we have the gap. So this FEG here that's still open. When we have a couple candles, trade into it, pop back out, trade into it a few times, and then we like 3-4 bearish candles until we close. It's much better if it just is like in one straight candle, we get that strong displaced bearish candle and it inverts in that one candle. That's always a cleaner setup for me. So I said I don't like the look at this one because it's now been 3 candles have traded into it, and I don't like that we keep dropping back into that level without inverting. RCS execution short now. I mean, you can if you want. It's not my setup, but go for it. I'm waiting now for the 2 minutes for the new 15-minute candle to open, and I'll go from there. Ash, how do I enter the giveaways on live? Guys, if you're new here, don't stress about the giveaways. All you guys have to do is make sure you've liked and subscribed to the channel. And once it's giveaway time, Nick will brief you guys. We'll just give a form in the chat and you have heaps of time to fill that out. So it's all good. Don't stress. You'll know when we're doing the giveaways. Let me quickly check actually what we're at in the likes. What did I say? 310 to bring Nick on? 310 to bring Nick on, and 435 for the giveaway. All right, so 186 likes with 500 people watching, which means like 300 of you are just doing nothing. So if you're just joining, make sure you like the stream, hit the thumbs up button, not the hearts. I appreciate the hearts, but the thumbs up button is the one we need to smash in order to do that giveaway. So make sure you're doing that. So is anyone in trades, by the way, right now, London Gang? Anyone in shorts, longs? Nothing for me to be involved in yet. I keep looking at this 15-minute. Like, I really like this reaction to the Asia high, also this swing point. I think that's an hourly high. This hourly high also taken. Also that the 15-minute doesn't have the bottom, the 1 hour also, and the 4 hour. I'm gonna wait. Kayla Sherry says, I was long, but I'm out. Nice, nice. I think Asia high is a good point to be getting out of that long. Shorts right now. Nice. All right, shorts could be playing out. Don't hate it for the shorts. It's just not my A+. All right, so new 15-minute has just opened. So now I am watching that previous 15-minute high level to see if we sweep that and have a bearish reaction off that sweep. That is what I'll wait for. But let's see. If it just wants to keep dropping, I may enter. I'm going to base it on how aggressive these bears want to come in. If it's still just going to chop around here at Asia high, I'm just going to wait. A few of you shorts. BG trades short at 29.016. 29.016. Okay, nice. Towards those highs there. Very nice. Aman Hanfi says shorts on 1 minute CISD. Okay, cool. All right. Actually, Roman, did we get a poll in there? Let me see if we... All right. Let's see what everyone's feeling today. The poll was I am bullish and hit the like button. And then it was bearish and also hit the like button. Oh, we're actually... So poll right now, we're sitting at bullish 59%. and bearish 41%. So a few of you are more bullish, which is interesting. Who's in longs? No one here so far said they're longs. Kayla said I was in longs. Kayla says, I see why you're waiting. It literally can go anywhere at this key point level. Yeah, I mean, having swept Kayla, I'm now more definitely waiting to see a bearish reaction here at these key levels. But of course it can go higher. But I'm sort of liking this reaction. I think we might have to take a chat. I'm taking this unfunded, so it's going to be with micros. All right. Let me just put my... Okay, I'm in the short. I will just mark up where my entry was. For some reason, I don't know if anyone else is having problems with Tradeify. 28998 is the entry. 998. Just there. Stops at the high. And then I will take off at 1-to-1. 28,964.50. Okay. All right. Guys, just bear with me when I do this orders. Wait, 64.50. Ah, has to be multiple of 8. Okay, quick math. 24. Wait, what was it? 64.50. Okay. And then we leave the last 8 for down here. Okay. We're good. This is the trade. For some reason, okay, can someone tell me if their Tradeify is struggling to log into TradingView today? Because that's what I'm getting. I actually can't log in. Let me know. John says Tradeify for me is easy and hard to use at the same time. No issues, Leah. Okay, I don't know why then it's not letting me. Just bear with me a sec. Let me see if I can log in again. Like it's saying unauthorized when I go to connect. Which is strange. I've never had that before. Error unauthorized. Oh well, we can just... You guys will just have to watch my Tradeify screen. Okay, there we go. That's the trade. We are currently in drawdown. Colby says, I agree, Tradeify is the most friendly interface ever. Yeah, for real. But why now is it not showing me... What is happening? Why is it not showing me the dollar amount on the price line, whereas yesterday it was showing me? Hold on. Price level, show P&L. Okay, cool. There we go. Isn't that the best setting? You can now get your like dollar amount, your P&L on the price level on Tradeify. I love that. Try to delete cookies and log in. Okay. Well, I don't know if I'm skilled enough to do that while I'm on stream, but we'll just leave it. We can just drag this here and this here. Let me just make sure those orders are right. So the 1-to-1 968 should be that first level. 968. All right, let's see. Tradeify. What Vink? No, Tradeify Mobile is the one thing I won't touch. I have no idea what to do on Tradeify Mobile. I don't like it. that thing once cooked like multiple accounts for me because I thought I'd closed on all these accounts and turns out my orders were still in. So I went to bed and woke up very, very angry. Let's just go back to Trading Celine and click the do not remember me tick box or whatever it said. Tradeify. Do not remember me. Oh, okay, hold on. Wait, my details are probably going to pop up. I think we're in. Are we in? Oh. Oh, we're in. Okay, thanks, Leia. I've logged in, but now my trade is not showing. That's strange. Okay, bear with me again. Let me make sure the right accounts are in here. Let's see. Okay, cool. Yes. All right, thank you, Leia. You're the best. Trade is now visible. There we go. So I am taking 4 micros off at the 1-to-1 level. That's 30 points. And then I have a larger target. Honestly, that looks like in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to move that down to previous for our low level at 28,846. 24,846. Okay. All right, not sure if we will get there to that full target, but at least if we get to that 1-to-1, just going for those 30 points, I will go break even on the rest. So let's see. Are you on short? Yes, I'm in a short right now. This is the trade. These are the charts. Thanks, Anan Babank. I can't say that name, but thank you. All right. Initzer has already made 500 on shorts. Very nice. John got a limit order of 3 micros, got missed. Damn it, I hate when that happens. Celine, do you watch cricket? No, Loop. I actually don't watch cricket. I hate cricket. Like any other sport, basketball, anything, tennis, cricket is just such a boring sport. I don't know what is there to watch. It's just people like sportsmen like running up and down a little patch of grass and the ball like goes flying and then they just throw it back and it's just that on repeat for hours as well. Nothing worse than cricket. There's the FU candle. Don't you love it? Little FU candle. There's always an FU candle in there. Oh yeah. Loop, damn, Australia is good at cricket. It is like probably our second biggest sport besides Aussie rules footy. But yeah, I'm just not a fan. But hey, the FU candle is now getting FU'd by that bearish candle. This is the 1 minute chart though, so Nick would be yelling at me to zoom out, Celine, zoom out, breathe. So we'll zoom out. We'll watch the 5 minute. Let's see. We are right now in a 5 minute bullish gap, but I much prefer. I don't see anything in my way to on the 15 minute because we did sweep that high already. So I would expect the follow through now, but we will see. Anything can happen. Celine about to anger all the brown people here with cricket. Look. To each their own. I don't have to just... guys, I'm not going to lie to you and say I love cricket, okay? That's not me. I'm not ever going to lie on stream. But it's just like, it's one of those sports. I just can't watch it. Even if you paid me. I can't do it. I think we might be going up for a bit. I mean, potentially we could be. I wouldn't mind if we can just drop and take my TP1 first before we trade up, but I mean, we did sweep Asia high, so I do like that. And the high time frame candles are looking like they need to have a bit of a bearish displacement now to make a bottom wick, although they have a very small wick. I just see them most likely flipping bearish, so that's why I'm in this trade. We shall see though. Perical's Machine Gun Colleen, sometimes you don't wait for a 15-minute sweep. So in this case, this is a B+ setup. You guys will see me most days take that trade only if that previous 15-minute high had been swept, but I'm not a robot, so this was at my discretion taking this trade. Taking it with micros because it is riskier here, but I said I was watching because of the reaction we had at the Asia high in the 1 minute here. I was watching this gap, and there is that displaced candle. That signified to me that this was a bearish displaced candle that I wanted to get involved to the downside with. So this was 231. That 231 candle was the displaced candle I was looking for, but it's not ideal. This is not the ideal setup. Obviously, I would have preferred for us to pop up and sweep the previous 15-minute high first before having that displaced move, but that 231 candle told me otherwise, and I took the risk there, trading this with micros. So we will see. It might not pay out. It might burn me for not sticking to the rules A+. So that is okay. I do accept the risk. But yeah. Hope that makes sense. Jaden Cherry, is there a giveaway today? Yes, there's a giveaway every single day on Tradeify TV. Don't you worry about that. We will get to it. Make sure you guys smash the like button. 300 and what did I say? 310 likes to bring Nick on. And our special guest, and also 435 likes to do the first giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button. Good morning, LSG. Is Destiny Samson? I understand now. Colleen. No worries. I'm glad. Let's get a check also on, did anything happen in the last 10 minutes on that leaderboard? Did I have the leaderboard up here somewhere? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. All right, let's give this a refresh. Okay, no changes to the leaderboard here. We still have, there's no major movers. We're gonna call them major movers now. Nothing in the top page that's really changed since we last checked. So interesting. Misty, I know who Virat Kohli is. I said I hate cricket, but I do know some of the players. Buenos dias, señorita. Buenos dias, señor. Señora y señorita. BG Tracer Celine Shipbets might have just changed his name. Oh yeah, absolutely. Shipbets, if you're in here and you've changed your name but you're still in this comp, let us know because we all want to know where you're at. Misty says blue eye, check it's mine. Okay. Blue eye. Wait. What? Where did the leaderboard just go? What? Did I just close down the leaderboard? Oh my gosh. All right. Here we go. Blue eye. Blue eye. All right, Blue Eye, you are safe. You were sweet in rank 256. I reckon you're safe. 12,633 profit. I think you're good. Very nice. Good spot to be in. Anyone else from the London gang in the top 1,000th? Kryptonia. Is that the same Kryptonia, but he changed his name to Kryptonia? That'd be funny. He says, hi, Celine, just joining. Can see we are in the same trade. All right, let's go. Some people want to see the shorts happen. I also want to see the shorts play out. Ashok says, your TP hits soon. Let's hope. We can't. Anything can happen. There is one rule is don't have any emotions or expectations in your trading. Once you're in the trade, realize that anything can happen and it doesn't have to be a certain way just because you think it's going to go down. Like, that's the worst thing you can do. Have expectations on the market. Just let it do its thing. Jaden Cherry said, I was placed 160, then I took a trade and forgot to close it out. Then lost the whole account, but I will be top 100. I'm going to get my place back. Oh my gosh, Jaden Cherry, I am rooting for you. That's not a good way to go out of this competition. Something that probably would have happened to me because I'm just clumsy like that. But damn, I hope you get back in there. I believe in you. You got this. The business land seems like Razak didn't get his first place. He's still in there. He's still in the top 1,000, to be fair. I mean, there's no need to be laughing at him. So, we shall see. EMA supporting again. Bro, who cares about EMA, okay? We just trade what we see. No EMA, no VWAP. Stuff them all. PDGP Keepers as I followed Spudnik into the abyss yesterday. Market open. That was fun. What happened? Did you guys bank? Oh my gosh. Must be wild taking a Spudnik trade at open. Misty, you're safe. I'd say you're safe, Misty. Honestly, I mean, I'm no expert, but being ranked 200 right now, are we back? All right, chat, we're back. That was strange. Nick said, sorry guys, forgot to pay the subscription. Damn it, Nick. I'm going to blame you for that one. Now I'm happy to be AI. But no idea what happened there because I think my mic was still getting picked up. We were still live. Internet was all good. I don't know. Camera's playing on me. But anyway, we're still in this trade. We're still trying to see these shorts play out. We'll hold. We're back at break even pretty much here. Didn't really get that follow through just yet. But if we zoom out, 15-minute has just opened up. So we should potentially start to see the follow through to the downside. But yeah, my stop is in a place where I expect to hold. If it wants to go all the way back up to where my stop is, I am happy to be out of that trade. That is a level where it would be invalidated for me. And I do have that previous 15-minute level high as a potential we could get back to that level is 29,016 potentially to sweep that out and then go down. So I'm expecting we could have a little bit of drawdown here. That is all good. Misty, Colleen, I need to trade or not. Please help me. Misty, I don't want that pressure. I'm not going to tell you to trade or not to trade. All right. It is up to you whether you want to put risk on at this point in the competition. Remember, there is only a couple more days left, and all you have to do is secure your place in the top 1,000. And right now, you were like ranked 200 and something. So I think you're safe. I personally would be backing off a little bit, taking my foot off the pedal and probably not trading as much. But to each their own. I'm not going to say don't trade and then you miss out on the competition. You're like, Celine, you told me not to trade. So no, I'm not giving you any of that advice. Why you took this trade? Namzi, I took this trade because at the time we had a sweep of the previous 4-hour high, a sweep of Asia high, and a sweep of the previous, well, actually no, previous 15-minute high hadn't been swept, but we did have the reaction here at 231 as the reason I entered the trade. It was a bearish displaced candle that inverted this bullish 1-minute gap, and then I simply entered at I simply entered at market there with stops just above the high. So that's why I'm currently in this short, expecting to see a reversal trade happen off these highs. Also, the fact that 15-minute is just, I don't know. This 15-minute doesn't look nice. I would expect it to sweep potentially that previous 15-minute high, but right now it's barely flipped down. So come on, NQ, you need to turn around at some point. But we'll see. Like I said, we could potentially sweep out previous 15-minute high, and that would still be okay. I could potentially get another setup whilst in this trade as well. So it's not invalidated. Not for me. Ooh, Rhino Oliver says, Nick, I know you're going to wipe out everyone in this competition. Well, he also called you the GOAT, Nick. I'm sure he's loving that. Oh, damn. There is quite the volume in NQ. Okay. Well, shorts might not be the play, guys. Looks like we are going to get stopped out. Like I said, if we're just going to go back up to those highs, I am most likely wrong for this trade. Let's see. Oh, there is no reason not to take my stop there. It should take the stop. Okay, there we go. Stop has been taken. Trade is now invalidated, so I will wait to see if I get another setup. Let me just close those orders down in Tradeify. Okay, not so bad. I mean, it was 300 on the bigger accounts. It was a $400 and something loss, and then a $200 loss on the 50K. So not the worst, but don't like that reaction. I know I'm just gonna wait, because after we had the bearish move here, we shouldn't really have gone back for those highs, in my opinion. So maybe we're just gonna continue to rock it here, and I just have to sit back and wait. But that's all good. That is all good. Make sure everything is closed. Zoom out, breathe, says Nick. Nick, I just got cooked in those shorts, so there's no need to zoom out anymore. I'm done. Also, that 15-minute candle, even when I do zoom out, looks disgusting. So it doesn't help. It doesn't help that. Yuck. All right, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Honestly, it wasn't, like I said, it was B+, it wasn't A+. Now this is printing more of an A+ setup because it has swept that previous 15-minute high. And we do have a strong bullish gap here now to trade off. So we'll see. I could get another potential trade in here, but it's only going to be A+ because we just took that loss on the fundeds. But that is life. That is life. Bullish considering it just respected the 5-minute gap. Fair enough, if that's what you use for your confirmation. Brennan, that is a good point. Why haven't 661 people watching and not everyone has smashed the like button? So I'm going to check. Let me see what we're at. Wow. We're almost there, honestly, to get Nick on. We are at 308. I said 315 likes, and we'll bring Nick on, and 435 to bring, not to bring, but to do the giveaway. So we're still far from that first giveaway like goal. So make sure if you're just joining the stream, make sure you smash the like button. In around 5 minutes, we will be joined by the Nictator and our special guest. So make sure you're smashing the like button. Cameron, I smashed the like button. Now it's broken. That's clearly why. Well, fix it, Cameron. If you broke it, fix it. Desanti trading on 5 Tradeify fundeds. Carl says if you draw lines, you'll see the bullish wedge on ES. I don't really care. I don't trade wedges. No idea what that is. Hi, Celine. I have a rank number 19. All right, LSG. What's your name in the leaderboard? We can check on you. That's awesome. Rank 19 is so good. Top 50, top 20. Amazing. Leia says, Brandon, I'm coming to get you on Friday. I'm going to try at least. Leia, you do need to try harder. Okay? we need you to win. First of all, we've had Brandon win three weeks in a row winning Mario Kart. So, Brandon, you've had your time. It's now time for Leia to take the lead. I believe in you, Leia. Hopefully this Friday is yours. As long as it's not Nick. Carolee, do you trade any other type of setup? Yes, I do trade a different style when it comes to New York session, less fixed on the entry criteria. It doesn't always have to sweep like a previous 15-minute high. It doesn't always have to invert. Sometimes I will take, because there's obviously more volume in the New York session, so sometimes price can just run, and I would prefer to trade in like the stops are too big, so I prefer to trade like a pullback, tap into a retrace back into a FVG. So that's kind of how I like to go about the New York session, but still like fundamentally it is still a reversal system that I trade in New York, and I just wait for sweeps of the session levels. So London highs and lows. Gabe Ortega, I was in top 20 for the first 30 minutes, then I went straight to drawdown and lost like 3K. Ugh. No, Gabe, you guys, you have to lock in. It's very close, but you will get back in there. Just keep at it. Now, there is a certain outlaw that's just joined us, and it is my duty to bring him on here. So let me see if we've smashed the like button or not. If we haven't, then we will have no butcher. 351. Okay, you guys smash the like button. So stop loss butcher. No stop loss butcher. Are you ready? I will bring you on. Let's go. All right, hold on. I'm not ready. I did not have that intro ready. Okay. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hand over moving, GP trading, Mewtwo catching, stay with catch of abusing, sandboard trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash loving, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, samurai sushi loving, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart, thrice humiliated, once baited, Deshaun, the no stop loss butcher, and the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
What up, gang?
Howdy.
Yoo-hoo.
How? Yahoo. Oh my god.
Morning, everybody. Hope you're doing
Good
well.
morning.
Making money. Hope you're having a great day so far. You know the drill. Put a big fat one in the chat if you think Celine just absolutely crushed. Oh, sorry, Machine Gun Killeen just absolutely crushed it in her server. Put a one in the chat if you love trading. Put a one in the chat if you think the Grand Cup is cool. Put a one in the chat if you think 122,000 subscribers look fucking amazing on this channel. Put a one in the chat if you just love putting ones in the chat, and put a one in the chat if you know for a fact that no stop loss butcher is gonna win the Mario Kart duel this week. Nice, love the confidence of you all. Amazing, let's get started. Colleen, how are we doing?
Colleen is doing great. Even though I took that stop out, I'm still doing great. You know, part of the plan, traded the plan. And I'm still looking for my next setup in here. So we'll see what we can get. But so far, 1L on the session.
All right, happens. On to the next one. Well, I just want to give a special shout out to the one and only Butcher Trades, who says it's 2 a.m. here, but I just came here to see Nick. Butcher Trades actually took along with me yesterday in the New York session, and he banged big. So shout out to you, my dog.
Nice. Yes, Amir, we do have a guest who will be joining us soon. Be prepared.
Who could it be?
Who could it be?
London is open, by the way, since 15 seconds. So, I mean, we didn't.
Yeah,
really,
what do you
we
think?
didn't really move. We didn't really move. We look at. Let's actually go here. Yeah, let's go here. So, I mean, since the open, right? We had our open at 28,930. Total range for the day so far overnight is 249 points. Actually, it's bigger than I thought. 249 points, but we haven't removed as in we made a high, we made a low, made a high, made a low. And now obviously made a new high, 29,047. So we'll see. I'm interested in longs as usual, but not up here. So gotta wait a bit. Gotta wait a bit. What are you guys seeing in the chat?
We could be in a fade position today then, because I am more interested in seeing a short play out. But haven't had the confirmation yet. But chat was a bit mixed. We have a poll in there. 58%, well, it's moving actually. Now 59% bullish.
59% bullish. All right, then let me short.
Worked out yesterday.
It did work out. It did work out. I mean, if you look at my executions, look at this chart here.
Just do opposite whatever chat says. Oh, damn. Many executions.
That was my trading day yesterday.
That is wild.
But it worked out. We cooked. So
nice.
The chat, how does giveaway works here? We'll see.
You must be new here.
Yeah. Tell me you're new without telling me you're new.
Ahmed says go short now. Colleen, well, I don't have a setup right now, Ahmed, so I'd be a bit of a dummy to just follow your call because I got to trade my setups and my setups only. So thank you, but no thank you for your advice.
Facts. All right. Well. Grand Cup. Crazy. People are cooking.
Yeah, the leaderboard.
30K. First one over 30K.
Crazy.
I thought there's like 13. Actually now, oh wow, okay, now 6. Wow, okay, what the hell? I haven't checked in a while. It seems like, dang. Now we have 30 people, 32 people over 20,000 in profit. It's pretty impressive.
Wild.
It's pretty impressive. The cutoff, if I remember correctly, is like 8,500 right now. Yeah. 8,935 right now is rank 1,000. So pretty impressive. We'll see where that leads to. We'll see. Oh, did we just have a new? Oh, we got a new leader.
Wait,
Candle leader.
It's almost
Candle leader just overtook Wall Street Matt.
Oh, he's trading now. Candle eater, you in the chat? Let us know if you're trading with us.
Misty, I've checked yours. You're like 200 something. I know.
What do you think is needed for qualification, Christopher? All you need is just be in that top 1,000, honestly. Like these guys with 30 grand in profit in that top, like first, second, third place is pretty unbeatable at this point. I would not even be targeting 30K. I'd just be trying to get into top 1,000. 10K, 12 to 15K, like you should be in there.
Yeah. Good morning, it's Destiny Sampson. Perkins Films, what's the best thing to do in London? Make money.
Of course.
Yeah, pretty much it.
That's what we do around here.
That's exactly what we do around here. Nothing
Rick
else.
Trades, what was the starting balance? Rick Trades, everyone started with 50K.
Yeah, but what you see on the leaderboard, that's not the balance, that's the profit.
What does this guy mean? LSG 2012 High Lane, here is the name on G prize. What? He said this comment over and over. I'm not sure what you mean, LSG. No idea.
I mean, probably for the Grand Cup his username, I assume.
Oh.
Let me check. Yeah, here you go. He's 18th right now. Well done.
Oh,
LSG.
Nice.
Well done.
Very good.
Where's our guest?
Maybe call him. Maybe give him a message. Him, her. Cannot reveal.
Perkins Films, what's the best way to spend it? Well, whatever you like. Whatever you like. Look who's in the chat there.
Look who it is.
An outlaw is in the chat. I thought it's 8. You can come on whenever you want
so
to.
Good.
Kane,
you can chill,
you know
Kane.
it. You know it, dog. You can come on whenever you want to. Whenever you can pop in. Doesn't matter.
You got time.
Yeah, so you got to chat. Kane's going to be coming on. Another outlaw.
Reveal.
Another outlaw.
Good luck to whoever is paired against Kane round 2. Good luck.
You're going to get wrecked.
You guys are cooked.
Super
it could
cooked.
also be any of us. Outlaws can be head-to-head with another outlaw, so...
Well, I'm not worried about that, but for the chat, I'm worried.
Well, I'm not worried either. You know, if I come against you, I'm not worried one bit. I'm actually quite excited for that.
Mm-hmm.
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 Leia says, dog. Hearing a Swiss guy say dog is so different to a potato saying it. You've definitely picked that up from Spuddy for sure, because everything to the Spud is just dog. Everything is dog. Dog.
Yep.
Okay, well, still waiting for my shorts here. Watching this 1 minute bullish gap to see if we get the inversion right now. Waiting.
Breathe, Celine. Zoom out. Relax.
Okay. Inhale, exhale. When does the contest part 1 end, chat? It ends Friday. So you only got till Friday to secure your spot in the top 1,000, and then it's straight to round 2. So make sure you trade hard.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath, my daughter. Relax and zoom out. And then you're gonna make all the money that you need to pay Nick after the paddle match.
Go away now, God. I've had enough.
Sorry, my internet cut out. I'm back.
Oh, good. You didn't miss a thing. Suddenly I feel really light, and I just feel really light and calm and peaceful right now. Not sure.
Nice. Morning, everybody.
Where's that? I wonder where that Leo Grossman, he'll probably come out of nowhere now.
Wait.
What?
Leia says, in case you missed it, I'm eligible for a payout after a year and a half stuck in quicksand. Let's fucking go, Leia.
Let's go.
Holy moly. You know what I'm going to say to that, right? You know it.
Better be.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. What do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado. Oh, I've been married a long time ago. What do you come from? What do you go? What do you come from? Chickenado.
Well done.
Yes, Leia, we are so proud of you. Keep killing it. Payout after payout after payout now. Let's go.
Fire. Seems like your boot camp paid off.
Oh yeah, 100%. So awesome. Oh, she said you missed my previous message. How I knew I thought you were dissing me. Oh my gosh, no, Leia, we would never. Let me actually check.
No, why would I diss you? What the hell? I only diss you when it comes to Mario Kart because you suck.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see any of these messages. She said,
Fire.
today's a big day for me. Wanted to wait for Nick to come on after a year and a half stuck in quicksand. I am now eligible for a 4-digit payout on another Professor Tradeify accounts growing slowly. Well, congrats. Again, so happy for you, Leo. For real.
Yeah. Oh, well, Kane, looks like you're not coming on then. Nah, I'm kidding. I'll send it to you on IG right now. 1 second. Uno segundo.
Oh no, that song. That was in my head all night last night. And now it started again.
Is that so? All right. Sending. Here you go. Mister, or should I call you Mrs.?
Just bring on Kane like that.
I mean, we could.
Imagine he doesn't know the meme. I'm sure he does.
I mean, anybody who doesn't know that meme is not to be. Can I talk? He's not supposed to be here, I guess.
That is true. Amir, yes, to answer your question, if I do take this short, if there is another setup, it will be on these same funded accounts because I've only taken 1 L. So rules are 2 Ls and I step aside. I will switch accounts. So, yep, still eligible to take a trade on these accounts.
Well, question, lady. What's the giveaway goal?
Oh, well, it was 435 today. I bumped it up.
We're up 460. So.
Oh, hell yeah. We can do a giveaway then.
Hell yeah, let's do a giveaway. Chat, if you want to take part in this giveaway and you want to win a free account, then all you got to do right now is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the giveaway form, you have to fill out that form, but only once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, if I'm in form, doesn't matter. Any questions around that that are stupid, you'll get disqualified. So don't do it. If you ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you'll be disqualified for the rest of the day. So don't do that. Here you go. Here's the link. Crypto Daner just asked link. Well, my friend, disqualified.
No. Already?
Yes.
Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Cut night, Joe. Anybody else who wants to get disqualified? Let me know.
I'm just waiting. I know there's gonna be someone. Where's Congo, dude? That's true. Where's
Francisco from the Congo?
Francis. What was his name?
It's Francisco. We need Francisco from the Congo. I need to screenshot that so we can show him when he comes on.
Francisco from the Congo.
Anubaf says, please don't kill me. Well, only if you come face to face with me in round 2 of the Grand Cup.
Bogdan every day. I don't care about Francisco. I just want Deshaun.
Deshaun.
Everyone bring back Deshaun. Wait. I hope you're here, Deshaun. Bring back Deshaun.
Garden Design Picture says, how does one ask how to get involved when you're new to the chat without being disqualified? Well, I explain it every single time. So how does one know? Well, you just listen. Easy.
Pretty simple.
Mo says, morning, Nick. Wow, you look like a mean, angry, manly cowboy. I'm not going to upset you today. Well, Mo, you better don't.
Justice for Deshaun. Where's
Sheriff
Deshaun
Russell.
gone?
Deshaun is never going to come back. Sheriff Russell, okay. Coming for my bounty? Try.
Damn. Sheriff _ Russell, he's called himself as well.
I'm gonna snap you like a little toothpick, Russell, like this.
Ooh.
Boom.
Damn. That's going to be one head-to-head match I would love to see. Russell versus Nick. That's been a long time coming. Or the business lens.
Well, to be fair, Russell and I, we're friends now. He's nice.
I don't know. I'm confused. Sometimes you guys beef and sometimes you guys are in a bromance. It's a bit of a... It's a hard one to follow, that one.
No. Russell and I, we're friends. We're good. Unless...
Hey, morning, kids.
Unless we 1v1 in round 2. Then it's a different story.
Monton, where is Deshaun with his account? Is he in profit or not? I know, Deshaun, like, really just won his account and ran. Whatever, Deshaun, we hope you're happy.
Anubuff says Spot will win the cup. Let's see.
We'll see.
He already had to be bailed out of jail by Brett and AJ, so not sure about that.
Yeah, he's already been caught.
IBZ trader, 10 seconds. Lakshai, we're not sheriffs, we're outlaws.
Oh, the business end. Sorry, I'm already disqualified. Can't beat Nick this time.
Already?
All right.
Dang, dude. That's quick.
Damn it. It's all good, the business lens. It's all good. Next time.
Namzi, what's my trading edge? I buy low and sell high. I don't just talk about it, I actually do it.
Jaden says, when I win the Grand Cup, I want a cowboy hat too. I'm going to start my account again tomorrow. You'll get a cowboy hat and you'll get $200,000 and plus bounties. So you'll be getting a lot if you do end up winning Grand Cup.
Yeah,
you can buy multiple cowboy hats.
It's worth it.
I bought this new mouse for my Mac, the MX Master, but for Mac, it's so much smoother. I'm having a great day.
Show me.
This one.
Fancy.
Easy.
Fancy.
It just, I was using the Logitech MX Master before, but not specifically for Mac, but I highly recommend if you guys are Mac users.
know about fucking mouse models. I just use a $20 mouse and that's it.
No, it's life-changing. What do you mean? Especially for like traders, because we're constantly like, you have your hand on the mouse like all day. It's ergonomic, it's comfortable.
It's like I literally have a wired mouse, shittiest mouse ever.
No. How do you deal with that?
We chilling with that one.
I couldn't. I would get such a sore hand at the end of the day using a mouse like that. This is like properly made for comfort. Like your hand rests like, see how you're...
I don't need comfort. I need money.
It's true.
Oh wait, Kane says check DMs please.
Oh, no.
What? Cannot hear you, but I can hear Celine. Well, Kane, I don't see you in the background. What the hell? Do you see him,
What?
Celine?
I don't see him. Kane,
That's
I don't see you.
Roman, can you send me a new link for Kane to join? Kane, I'll send you a new one once I get it from Roman. That's odd. But just leave the room again, Kane.
Yeah, I do not see you back here. There's no way.
Nope. That's weird because he sent me a screenshot and he can see you, but he can't see me. That's funny. But yeah, I'll send you a new link. Oh. 1 second.
Hi. I really cannot see him, so I don't know how he's seeing me. That's weird.
All right, here's the new one. Mr. Kane.
That's really weird if people with our link can join, but we can't see them lurking in here.
Yeah, super weird. Super weird.
Just Still watching, trying to take a short here on NQ if it gives me the inversion. Just a lot of chopping around. Crazy kill. Did we get Kane in? No, we're getting Kane in just a few minutes.
Now I can at least see his charts.
Oh yeah, we got your charts.
Not him though, just the chart. We can hear you, but we can't see you. That's funny. The fuck? Roman, was that a proper link? Or was that the link that... That's odd. All right, Kane will be with us shortly, chat.
All right, we're working on it.
Yeah.
Also, his mic was really quiet for me, Nick. Did you hear that?
Yeah. But maybe Roman can push it up a bit. He-Man says, Nick, I lost my 50k account after payout. Did not know that I should have a buffer, 2100. I'm going to repeat myself over and over and over again. Guys, read the fucking rules. It's the same for giveaways, as for trading your accounts, as for everything. Read the rules. Do not just open an account and trade if you don't understand how it works. It makes no sense. Now we can see you, Kane.
We see you, Kane.
Yes, sir. Mo says, Nick, I don't think 10k will be enough this time to qualify for round 2.
We can't hear you now.
We see you, but we don't hear you.
What? Is this your first live stream or something, Kane? We can't see. We can't hear you.
Nope, can't hear you. I can lip read, but don't hear you.
Come on, Kane. It's not like you haven't streamed before.
Yeah. Chat can see you, but they can't hear you. Nobody can hear you.
Bro, it's not coming through.
Wait, just talking to the camera, so I'll lip read and translate.
Can you go if you're in the ninja room, you go.
He's saying Tradeify is fucking awesome, guys.
He said just like he's short right now, chat. He said he's short. 10 minutes. Go to your settings and check your audio source. Like, simple.
Delayed.
No, I think you can hear us.
You can hear us, but delayed.
What?
Oh. Here's something.
Do you hear me now?
Yes, we hear you now.
Yep.
Looks like you're on a delay.
What is going on? What is happening? Were you on? You were on mute. You were on mute that whole time.
Can you hear me or not?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yes.
Okay, you can hear me fine. Okay, good. I can't see you or anything like that, but everything's good.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. That was difficult. That was probably the hardest yet. I'm new to the streaming gig, Celine. Sorry.
You're just super quiet. So either you gotta move your mic closer or turn your gain up.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's much better. There we go.
Okay, I'm like literally assaulting the mic.
Well, chat, with that being said, everybody put a welcome Kane in the chat.
It was a bit messy, sorry.
The modern cowboy outlaw. How are we feeling about the Grand Cup after seeing that the first place is over 30k in profit?
Yeah, that's crazy, by the way.
Fucking
30k.
insane. I want mini.
Yeah, that's nuts. Anyway, how are you guys? I haven't seen or spoke to you in a while.
Yeah.
True.
You've been a bit busy for us.
Never too busy for you guys. I've just been busy.
No, yeah, we've been good. London session has been growing, I think, since you last joined. Been
Yeah,
getting
you guys are
bigger and
killing
bigger
it.
here. So it's been good. And now we're obviously in our, I don't know if you can see us, but we have our outlaw hats on. We got our
I can see you
Cowboys.
on the stream, but yeah, not on the back end.
Yeah. Kane's outlaw hat is similar to Claudia's.
To
Yeah.
whose?
Claudia. She came on with a bucket hat yesterday. She's another guest.
Shout out, Claudia.
We said that well, Nick decided we look like we work at, you know, Disney World or something, and Claudia just looks like the tourist, so it's the same vibe today.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
All right, let's dive into the charts. Did you take a trade yet, or are you looking for something?
No, I haven't taken. I literally, I got to my desk, loaded up the stream, and you were like, "Where's our guest?" I was like, well, I'm not late, so.
Nah, you're not late. I just didn't know what time you come on.
Yeah, no, I haven't taken a trade yet. I'm kind of stuck, to be honest. I think when I look at the higher time frame chart, obviously yesterday we took out that previous week low, which I think for me coming into this week was the draw. I definitely want to trade towards there. When I look at the daily time frame, like we kind of broke some of this, I say higher time frame structure, but this 2-day structure above 29,500. Like we
Wait, sorry, real
above.
quick. Are you sharing a screen in the
Can you
background?
not see that?
Nope.
Okay. See, I can't see anything on the back end, so can you see it now?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, Roman, let's pull up that screen.
10 minutes up. Sorry, guys. I just assumed it was sharing.
Nah, you're good. Okay, there we go.
Yeah,
You can see it now. All good.
Okay. So when I came into the week, I was like previous week low is kind of the draw. Obviously, we opened up here, and then when we go down to our daily time frame and we arrive on Monday, it was kind of like drive into this wick and then potentially drive out. The reality here is I obviously mark this structure up just like a lot of people. You have this 2-day impulse above 29k, which gives you that higher time frame shift. And especially when we look on, you know, at this huge rally, there's more structure up here than there is practically along the whole way. So when I look at the higher time frames, the daily and the weekly, it kind of suggests to me that there's some sort of move lower from here. However, that move lower was immediately brought up at the weekly low, and now we're getting daily swing to the upside. Obviously to the downside the swing, but the upside is the move. So for me, I don't really want to be short here unless it's above previous day high, and I don't want to be long here because I think there's a shift, there's some sort of shift potentially happening early. So I'm kind of stuck right now. I would like to see this rotate lower, but also if you know you've been shorting practically since April, you've been having a hard time. Ask me, I know about it. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. And then when we look at this morning, we have no 4-hour structure here. Like you basically from 6 and 10 o'clock, so 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. they're all inside bars, and then right now we get an impulse above. So I'm more comfortable shorting. However, I'd probably like to see a squeeze back to 29k, 29,150s, because that's where that shift is, and I feel more comfortable getting short around that area than anywhere else, to be honest.
Yep.
What about you guys?
I already did try short earlier on. Just it got sort of into my Asia high is what we call it, because I have a different Asia high to some of you guys. So once that swept, it was also 8 to 12. I used those kill zone hours. So it was also aligned with the previous 4-hour high sweep. So I took it off a bearish displacement, but it just wasn't the follow through. So now I'm still waiting. I would like to see. I want to see the reversal, but it might not happen as well based on how this is looking so far. But we'll see.
By the way, Kane, I haven't watched the full thing yet, but congrats on your podcast with Miriam. That's nice. I especially saw the picture with you standing next to her, I was laughing my ass off.
Yeah, Mariam is
look,
quite short.
I mean, look, to be fair, when I interviewed you at the London meetup, I had to go up one staircase to like be at the same height as you, but Miriam.
Can confirm it's probably like 3 Miriams to make up like Kane's height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds right.
How tall is Mariam compared to you, Celine?
Well, we talked about it. I think she's 5'4" and I'm 5'5", so I'm only like that little bit
I
taller.
was gonna say you're not that tall either.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking I'm talking down, but I'm pretty much at Miriam's height.
Yeah, Mariam's
Thinking
smaller
about
than
it.
you, so Mariam's the midget here, not you.
Yeah.
He is, but you're also super tall, so
Yeah.
it's the combo.
People think it's a lot. Like the most said thing that people say to me when they see me is, "Wow, you really are tall."
How tall are you?
I'm 196 centimeters, so it's like between
Yeah, that's
6'4", 6'5".
Yeah,
That's
tall.
wild. Did you ever play basketball?
Oh no, I'm not tall enough for that. No. Do you want to know the really weird part is
What?
when I was 15, so like you know that like 15 to 16 turn when you go from like over summer to into your last year of like school before you go into higher education, especially in the UK. I was one of the shortest people in my school when I was 15. And then when we came back in summer, I was the tallest. I grew entirely over that summer period.
That's wild. I think there's a bit of an echo, Kane. I can also hear myself a little bit.
Sorry, it's because let me put my headphones in. Give me a second.
Yeah, all good.
Ooh.
I hate hearing my voice back. That's
Sorry.
so annoying.
Give me a second.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
I'll take a short here, by the way. So, because the chat says long. Got to go short.
Yeah, wow. The chat is now 63% bullish and only 37% bearish.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, the echo should be gone. I'm sorry, guys.
No, it's all
Yeah,
good. Yeah, it's fun.
You are good, sir. All right. MMNQES is asking Kane, what's your opinion about the Grand Cup so far?
I think the Grand Cup's good, right? Like I love the new format. I mean, Vinny nailed it, right? People are sitting there complaining that it's a full ball competition. It's 1 mini. Like, come on, what do you want to do? Right. It's also free. It's I can't remember if it's free or not, but I think
It is
for
free.
most
No, it
people
is free.
Yeah, it's free. So, it's free. So, people are just gonna love to complain. I think it's good. I like the format of it. I like the idea of it. I like the outlaw marketing spin is great. So yeah, I think it's great. Obviously, you guys think it's great. What does the chat think?
Obviously.
No, it's awesome.
Mark Coco, what's your stop, Nick? You're talking to No Stop Loss Butcher. What are you talking about, man? No stop. Are you ready to be an outlaw next week?
Kind of. I think it's someone's got the easiest 5K coming their way, probably. I don't know.
Why?
Because I've not had the best time in the market as of late. I mean, the market's starting to adjust, and maybe it's like the market's warming up just for this competition, but I haven't really traded that much.
Well, I was warning the chat that good luck if you're up against Kane. So we'll see then. Maybe it isn't going to be so hard after all.
I guess we'll find out. 26th of June is when it starts.
That's next Tuesday, right?
Yep. Because Monday is a market holiday, or like a half day. Is it a half day or a full holiday? I don't know.
No, it's a full holiday on Monday, yeah.
Pino says, Kane, let us win. This is charity.
Oh, there'll be no freebies. If someone beats me, I'll be fair and square.
Fair. That's fair.
Unless magically I get paired against Nick, and then Nick can win.
Hey, there you go. I like that.
Celine, I wouldn't give you the courtesy. I'm sorry.
As if I was gonna say, let me pay off my
Celine-
debts.
But Celine needs the money because she agreed to a paddle tournament against my friend and me, and she's going to play with Claudia. Claudia yesterday revealed that she doesn't even know the rules, and Celine
Nick.
bet $10,000 on it. I give her 20,000 if she wins, but I don't think that's going to happen. So.
Yeah, I think that's
Look.
the lock of the century. But the one thing I will say is Celine
What?
doesn't pay her bets, so you're out of money.
I know she already
Yeah.
owes me 250K lightning funded accounts.
I love. Can we just realize, Kane, you've never seen me play paddle, but I see you laugh, and that's fine. That's fine. Everyone's allowed to doubt. But guys, when I play paddle, we will be streaming, so all of you can laugh. Like, we'll see who's laughing then. Trust me. Like,
Okay.
I'm training. Claudia's training. It's gonna be good. You guys
Okay,
just
I haven't seen you play paddle, but
Yeah,
I would
that's
I wouldn't trust Claudia's athletic ability.
Wait, why?
She's pretty small now.
Are you
Wait,
talking
we're
about
not.
a different
Which
Claudia?
Claudia are you talking
Are
about?
you talking about a different? I know which Claudia you're talking
Oh,
about.
which
Not that
Claudia are you
Claudia.
talking about?
I was gonna
I think
say.
they're both.
Ray.
No, they're
Claudia
both.
Ray.
No, I'm talking about the same one. Yeah, she's also pretty small.
Oh, you are? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No.
Okay, fair. Anyway, well, it doesn't mean like in paddle. It also pays to be short as well. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay. Let's just wait for the paddle match to happen before you guys start laughing. We'll see.
Mhm.
I did see Claudia play tennis though, so maybe I've got it completely wrong and Nick is cooked.
Maybe.
Claudia
Okay.
Ray.
Yes, Claudia Ray. Yeah, I don't know another Claudia to be honest.
Ah, okay. I guess
Okay,
we'll
well,
have to find
then
out.
good. Well, then good.
Guess we'll have to
Okay.
find out.
But I love an underdog, but I just don't love the fact Celine doesn't pay her debts. So
Yeah, that's.
I hope she wins, but
But
I hope you don't pay her if she does.
but the thing is, I was smart about it. I involved the chat too, so she doesn't only have to pay me 10K. She also has to give away 150K lightning funded accounts.
And
So
that's
here's the
fine,
thing.
guys.
Here's the thing, Celine. Shh. Here's the thing. If she does lose, the chat will absolutely go bonkers if she doesn't pay up. So it's perfect.
That is fine, Nick. I am like we've witnessed it on stream. I've already said I agree. I fully agree to the bet, to the deal, and I will pay up if it comes to it. But I'm just warning you. Just you be prepared with that 20K. Bring it in cash. That's what we said. Like that's all.
That's not the issue here, Celine. That's not the issue.
Well, anyway, we don't have to talk about this every day on stream. We're a trading channel, guys.
Celine, you just love a bet. You just love like a sportsman's bet.
A
For
little
the fun
bit.
of it.
A
Yeah.
little bit of sportsman bet.
Yeah. Arsenal won the Premier League. They did win the Premier League.
Yes. Unfortunate.
You're not
Are
an
you
Arsenal
anywhere near
fan?
North London?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Oh, it must be crazy there right now.
Oh no, I mean we've had 23 years of silence out of them. We forgot they existed.
Now all of a sudden they've come out of the woodworks. I saw so many videos I was saying to the stream, like it's taken up all over my feed. It's just all Arsenal bullshit everywhere. But, yeah.
Let them have it. Let them have it.
Me says, is Kane in a short? I don't think so.
I'm in
not,
the short.
but I would like to short 29042.
Yeah, Roman, let's go back to my charts because I'm in the short.
I think it's confusing because is that your range levels are red and green, Kane? It looks like it's like your price will.
Oh yeah, sorry.
That's probably why they think that you're in the shorts.
That's his discount on premium zone, right?
Yes.
Yeah, which makes sense. Oh wait, Nick, we're meant to do the giveaway.
There's a giveaway?
There is a giveaway.
Wow.
Well, let's see. I gotta first check the entries for this other stupid person. Oh, he's back. He's back. Somebody's trolling
day.
again in the giveaway form. Well, I'll find you every single day. No worries. All right. I just need to check all the names if there's another dumbass, and then copy everybody over and see who wins and what they win. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Let's see. They
right.
might also just not win because we have the "you suck" in there.
You have
Plot
the "you
twist.
suck" option in there. That's correct. So whoever wins, if you land on "you suck," you don't get anything.
What?
That's
That's
the
mean.
outlaw. That's the outlaw field. All right, here we go. Spinning. Let's see who wins. Winner, first winner of today, is gonna be Arcararu. Hey, I've seen you before, Arcararu. Congrats. Type something in the chat.
Nice, congrats.
Type something in the chat. We need to see there for you to claim the giveaway. Arcararu.
That song's stuck in my head.
Yeah, it is. All right, he says, hey, thanks. All right, awesome. Now let's see what you win. We're gonna add growth accounts to the mix. We're gonna add select accounts, and we're gonna add lightning funded accounts, all with the same chance. As said, if it lands a new stock, you don't get anything. Let's see what you win. Arcararu, you've won before. I know it. Oh, 150k growth account.
Good.
Fire. Very good.
Nice.
Very good. So Arcararu, all you gotta do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you use to log in to your Tradeify account. And we're going to be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congratulations. Now that's the first giveaway. So we got to set another like target. What should we say? What do we feel?
What are we up to?
Well, we got almost 900 viewers right now. So let's say pick a number between 800 and 900. Shall we?
Sure. Kane, what number you want?
801.
801, chat.
Just being nice to the chat.
you
I'm
heard
not here
me,
that
man.
often, you know. I don't want to make enemies.
Well, you're going to have enemies automatically next week when you're an outlaw. By the way, I said June before, chat. Obviously, I meant May, 26th of May.
Yeah, I just defaulted to you meaning me.
I didn't even catch it.
I'm not surprised.
Classic.
Celine, have you moved now?
Yeah, I'm in Melbourne now, temporarily. So I'm back in Australia. I'm back home for a little bit. And then I moved to Greece 2 weeks. So I'm very
I'm going to
excited.
Greece tomorrow, actually.
Get out.
Really?
Whereabouts?
Yeah, so I'm going to IOS.
Nice.
Like just for holiday or?
My friend gets married on Saturday. So they're getting married there. So I fly in Thursday, fly out Sunday. And
Fire.
then
Nice.
back Monday, yeah.
Sounds like fun.
EOS. Well, I call it EOS, but
Oh, is it I have no idea. Maybe it's EOS.
I think it's EOS. But I know what you mean.
Yeah.
I was there a couple years ago. It is full of Brits and Irish. It's just like the drinking island. I think.
Well,
of
that
the
makes sense
whole-
then.
It's just like the bars there are just full of British. I don't know why, but I think yeah, it's cool. It's fun. There's some really nice beaches and you'll have fun.
Yeah.
Zero Cool says, hey, send me an account. Sure. Check your mailbox.
As you said, please, so many times, I'll send you nothing.
Judas Cho says, your friend's having a big fat Greek wedding. Greek weddings are big, right? Like with 200, 300 people.
Usually.
So have to invite their entire village.
Is your friend Greek or he's just chosen that island just cause?
They've just chosen to get married there. I don't have no
Oh,
idea
yeah,
why
that's
they're getting
cool.
married there. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I think his soon-to-be wife fell in love with the place, and they picked it based on that. So,
Nice.
but yeah, it'd be nice. They're
So you're not going to do any other islands while you're in EOS because they're all so close.
No, they're all out. They've all been out there a few days now, so they're in Santorini right now.
Cool.
And then, yeah, my schedule's too tight right now, so I'm literally flying in, flying out.
Just for the wedding.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Oh, well.
I'm gonna do a little experiment here in the chat.
Oh, are we?
Let's see.
Oh, damn.
Wait, what is this?
Let's see.
They're gonna. I don't know how it works. So they're gonna have to pick the right account for it to work.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if they're smart. Damn, Amir. Middle Eastern weddings, over 1,000 people?
What the hell?
What?
I'm sorry, that's just over the top. That's ridiculous.
That's crazy.
How does someone even know 1,000 people?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, they don't. They don't. It's just like you invite your entire family, including cousins and great cousins, and then they take their families with them.
Their neighbors,
and then like you get to know 799 people at your own wedding that you have never seen before.
Hi, I'm Celine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I paid for your food. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Wait,
what are we doing with this code?
It's a 1% discount code.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's actually a free account. The question is who gets it first.
Yeah, but you have to get the right account, I think.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Guys, I'm gonna guess it's a 25k growth.
Okay, so Tim, you got it?
Damn, did he?
Wesley got it?
Oh wait, Wesley said he got it.
Apparently they all got it.
Oh my gosh,
I also got it.
Are you sure you did it for one person, Nick, or are we giving away like 1,000 accounts right now?
Nick's panicking now. His heart rate just elevated.
Yeah.
Well, let me
You sure you
check.
said that okay?
Funny.
Nick, have you done any more marathons recently or any planned?
Hey, I did one in April, and that was the last one. Fuck that. I did it unprepared, no training. I decided the day before that I'm gonna do it.
Insane.
And then that was a bad idea.
Jeez.
And now you're training for a High Rocks, which is cool.
Oh yeah, true. High Rocks is interesting. You get fucked up, like it's insane. My heart rate has never been that high for that long.
Yeah, that's
anything
crazy.
else.
One of my friends is really, really good at it, and he was like, "Why don't you just come train with me one day?" I was like, "Sure, but just go easy on me." Yeah, he's like, "Yeah, we'll go easy. Don't worry about it." And then we're doing the ski ergo. He's like, "Right, now's the rest." I'm like, "The rest? What are you on about the rest?" He's like, "Yeah, the ski ergo's the rest in IROX." I was like, "Why is it a rest?"
Yeah.
He's like, "It just is. It's just the rest."
It is.
I was like, "I don't understand." He's like, "Yeah, the ski ergo and the farmer's carry and like maybe the sled push, it's considered the rest." He's like, "Most of it's just timing yourself for a fast run."
Yeah, that's true. It's true, and that's the problem because I'm not a fast runner.
Yeah.
Well, so I'll hold my fiance back because she's really good at running. We'll see. We'll get it done. Have you been playing paddle recently? Okay.
A little bit, nothing crazy though.
I mean, you wanna
Why don't you
bet
ask me,
Celine?
Nick? I've been playing paddle. How about you ask me? I've been training.
Oh, I'm not worried. I'm not worried today.
Once if you turn up and Celine has been like actually secretly living in Spain playing
That
paddle
would be
with the pros.
so funny.
I'm actually serious.
At that point, she deserves it, right?
Yeah,
If she
it's
does
commitment
that,
to the cause.
she goes through all that effort, she deserves it.
Also, Nick, we've never met, so you don't know if I'm 6 foot or 5'5". You don't know my height. You don't know if I'm like fully buffed Serena Williams specs. Like you don't know.
Nick, I can vouch. She is not 6'5". She's not. She hasn't got like shoulders set like Serena Williams. Yeah. No.
Anyway, I got months to train.
She is scary though.
That's right.
Yeah, she is scary.
So, and I've still got months to work on my form. So, there's time.
Where's the game gonna be?
In Greece.
We said Greece.
Yeah. On 29th of November this year.
I'll be there.
Good.
You want to ref
you
it?
can be the ref.
Oh, referee, give me like a little stool.
All right, we'll do that.
I'll set
Kane
up
is going to be the ref.
Kane,
We're also
Kane,
going
you
to
don't
be
need a
live
stool.
streaming it, so Kane can do commentary.
Celine will be like, Kane, you're cheating. I don't like this.
I know it's bullshit. Actually, I don't know if I like this already.
Yeah, I can tell.
We'll see.
I'm in this short with you, Nick. I've got a little bit of worse entry, 42 instead of 45, but I'm here with you.
Nice. That's right.
Nice.
That's right. You know what I always say, Kane? In regards to battle. Look, this is Celine gonna be when we battle.
Oh, I can't see it because I can't see your screen.
I can see it on stream.
No.
Just go on stream.
Just wait, yours will be the lid.
Celine's gonna go to her coach and be like, he keeps taunting me about the glass in the corner, so we need to get that unlocked, all right? Like, there's no way I can be, you know.
But you know what, like, Nick, you being taller and everything, that means it's easier for me to get in those low glass corners.
She is true about that. Is true. That's very true, actually.
It's just strategy. I'm fine in those low corners. Put it in the corner as much as you want, but just, I think you better be practicing your corners, Nick. Shut up.
The thing is we went from Nick ran a marathon unprepared to, yeah, you better practice, Nick. I think the whole thing is Nick doesn't need to practice. Yeah.
Oh, chat, back me up here. How does this always happen?
You didn't train for your marathon? Well, you better fucking train for this paddle match.
That's right. That's right. Laugh all you want.
Oh, it's because we love you, don't worry.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
It's all just friendly, you know.
Until next week. Until we 1v1 in this Grand Cup, I hope.
Wait, you can't. Outlaws can't beat Outlaws, right?
Yeah, we can.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, yeah. There's no, like, so I could get Brett on Tuesday.
You could, and you can get 25k off his shoulders.
I'm praying I don't get Brett. Or
I
AJ.
would jump on the plane and go to Brett's house and unplug his PC. That would be my tactic.
Hey, I mean, it's a tactic. I don't hate it. Just need a fast enough plane, because the time zone.
Hey, I've got $24,000 to spend. I'll just bribe a pilot with a jet. Like, come on.
True. Still gonna make 1k profit after.
Exactly. Work harder, not smart. Work smarter, not harder.
Oh boy. What are you targeting on this short?
28,987.
All right.
Basically like these lows down there.
Got it. I'm going for 29,001.
Oh, you're gonna front run me by like 10 points? Thanks.
Looks like it. Looks like it.
Thanks, Nick. Thanks.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm only riding this with one micro, so I'm not front running anything.
How's the weather in Switzerland right now?
Hey, it's getting good now. It's getting this weekend's gonna be like 27 degrees and sun. So summer is here.
Yeah, same. It's so annoying, right? I go to Greece, and Greece are missing that like heat wave, and then basically the whole of Europe's getting some sort of heat wave this next week.
Really, Greece is missing it?
Yeah, it's just missing it. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not gonna. My friends there right now, they're like, it's cloudy, it's okay, it's not warm, but.
Well, to be fair, the islands are always like that little bit colder. They usually get like a bit of more of a breeze.
Are you moving to an island?
No, I'm moving to Thessaloniki, like the second largest city. So not Athens.
Okay.
I can't live on an island. I did Bali for a year and I just like, it's not long term. think no. Look, Bali was good for the short term, but like, it's not your long-term like setup, live there long-term Bali. It's fun for like a little stint, but yeah, there's just certain things that I miss that you just can't get in Bali. But it's great. It was good while I was like really locking in on trading anyway, because you meet a lot of like people doing the same thing and like not much distraction there. Good time zone for trading. Well, better time zone. Europe is obviously ideal, but it was better time zone for trading and that sort of thing. So it was good. But yeah, I don't miss Bali. I don't think I'll be going back to Bali for a little while now.
Have you ever been to Bali, Kane?
Sorry, what did you say?
Have you ever been to Bali?
I've never been to Bali. No.
It's not really worth it.
I'm
Wait,
not gonna lie.
you said that you went there and then you left, like the day that you landed. Was
Yeah,
that Bali?
but no, I've never been to Bali. No.
No, shut up. I swear you said you landed, you were there for like a day, and then you left because you hated it.
No, I don't think that was me.
I swear. Anyway, I swear you said it on
Those-
stream last time.
Those sorts of things don't really interest me. Like I'm a bit too
Well, you're a British boy, that's why. It's the opposite to London.
yeah. I'm a bit fussy with food as well. So I don't really like going places where I couldn't eat something.
Oh, that's the
That,
worst thing. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
definitely the worst thing. Like not even being able to put the water from the tap in your mouth when you're brushing your teeth, like that. Those things you get really sick of. And the food, yeah, having to like check Google reviews like 10 times over, and it's just hard. That stuff sucks.
I'm sure like I don't know. I don't enjoy those types. I like going to a resort where I know I'm going to be looked after, you know, if I'm going to leave my house. I know that sounds a bit posh or whatever, pompous or whatever.
No, I'm the same.
That's just
No,
how
it's
I
fair.
am. Yeah.
That's why the Maldives is nice, huh?
Yeah, shout out the Maldives, yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Shout out Mail. If you know, you know.
I'm actually- that was funny. I'm going to Crete in July as well. I'm going to
Oh,
Greece a few
Crete.
times this year.
Yeah, Crete's meant to be really amazing. I want to go to Crete. I probably will also go this summer. Because once you're in, it's super easy to get around Greece, like just quick flights here and there. So I plan to do a lot of the islands and stuff this year too. But yeah, Crete looks cool. Celine, did you get Bali? Bali, actually, no. Like, interesting, like I was there for a year. I never copped it like that bad. But there were like, I think a day or two where I was like bad in the gut, but not like full on vomiting and stuff. I was never that bad. Like some people get Bali belly and they're in the hospital with fevers and that. And I know people that that's happened to. So I didn't get it that bad. And that's probably why I stayed that long because, yeah, I didn't really have a bad experience in that way. And I'm very good when it comes to picking restaurants. Like Google reviews has to be like at least 4.8 stars with at least like 2,000 reviews. That's the only way to do it in Bali.
Oh, really? It's that bad? Like,
Yeah, no, you can't. You actually can't. You have to check Google reviews wherever you go. So by the end of it, I would like, there were only certain like 5 restaurants that I could trust based on people's reviews. But some are the nicest places also because a lot of them are like run and owned by Australian like business owners, chefs and everything. So yeah. Anyway, that was Bali.
Amir is asking, Kane, where's your stop?
29065. But I really don't want it to bid back from here right now. I kind of want it to fail here.
I mean, that'd be nice.
Yeah, I don't
I'm
want it to
watching
do this.
this 15-minute bullish gap that we're sort of respecting. We've left this current 15-minute candle. I'm watching to see if this inverts the 15-minute bullish gap right now. Let's see.
How's the weather in Oz though, Celine?
Sort of like when I arrived, actually it was pretty nice, like 20s, but now it's getting cold because we're pretty much in winter now. So it's like, look, let me check what it is right now. It's 6 p.m. and it's probably like 15 degrees. It's freezing Celsius. 13 degrees right now.
Dang, it's colder than Switzerland.
Yeah, it's really cold. It'll drop to like 11 degrees, it's saying. And then, yeah, the rest of the week it's rain. And it's not just rain. Like we get really bad, like a really strong breeze in Melbourne. So even though it's 11, it feels like 5. Like it's really cold. But yeah. You're probably used to that kind of weather though, right? In the UK?
Yeah, the grey blanket over the sky.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
My favorite.
The Tokyo Stock Exchange closed in 10 seconds, by the way. Let's see what that brings.
And how's your grass going, Kane? We need the update.
Oh, yeah, the grass.
Oh, the grass. Thought you were going to ask about the puppies. Fuck the puppies, I guess.
True, the puppies.
Wait,
Damn.
how are the puppies? Oh, what was his name? Like Hercules or something?
Zeus and Zella.
Zeus. Zeus and...
Let me see if I can get him to come up.
Yeah, get him. Oh, I can't remember the other one's name. That's sad.
Zella.
Zeus and Zella, yeah.
I swear, when you just repeated the names before, I understood Caesar and salad.
Zeus and Zella, Nick.
Yeah,
They've
I
got.
know.
He's got big now. He's got massive. She's still not as.
Yeah, the last time we saw them, they were like super tiny.
Babies. Yeah. Zella. You're on mute.
Yeah, he knows.
He's like yelling at his dogs.
Now I'm so curious how big they are now.
Yeah. Can you hear the rain, by the way? It's starting to really heavily rain here.
Hmm? No, I can't hear it. Can't hear it. Spooky how his chair moves without him being there.
His setup
Yep.
is so dark. Spooky.
Misty says, Nick, can you do full port in your trade? I mean, I can, yeah, but I'm not gonna.
Who else is in these shorts, guys? Chat. Let us know if you're in shorts with Kane and Nick, or whether you are waiting, whether you've traded yet at all, or not at all.
Oh shit! They're huge.
They're here.
What the fuck? Last
Yeah,
time
they-
we saw them, they were like this.
Yeah, they got bigger.
Oh, look at
Oh,
them.
shit.
Oh my
They're
gosh, they're
cute.
huge. What the hell?
But that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, they got so much bigger. Yeah.
Like their heads. What the hell? Oh my
That's
god.
crazy. They're cute though.
He's got big boy.
Is that Zeus?
Damn.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh my god.
They've been playing downstairs, so they're like, wait, what? Why
Do
I
they
have to sit here
shed?
and do nothing? No, they don't shed. No.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh. I want one.
Not like
And
my
they're off.
cats.
Immediately
Yes.
down the stairs.
They're cute.
That's so cute.
Yeah. They got. He's a little terror.
Lulu says, "Hey, who's that cute mob?"
Yeah, it's literally. Yeah, he needs it. They need a cut,
Do they fight like brother and sister, or?
of course, but they don't. They're only playing.
Yeah. That's cute.
This trade looks cooked.
Oh, let's see. Let's see.
Where's his stop, Kane?
The high. Nick doesn't have a stop, so he's he's invincible
No.
right now.
No stop loss butcher. We're not going to stop that.
But it's working for him. Like, I was making fun of him at the start, calling him a gambler, but
I'm out.
Everybody's making fun of it. Should have hurt Miriam yesterday.
really? Well,
Yep.
I mean, trading with no stop is like 101 gambling, but for you, it works regardless. So I'm not saying anything anymore. Nick.
You're in micros, though, right?
Yeah, it's one micro.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of okay at that point.
Think about it, Celine. Like it can literally go up 2,000 points from here, and I'm not.
No,
gonna blow
I
you
know the
down.
math. I know the math. It's fine. I just can't do it.
It's all right. You don't have to.
But I am actually still interested in shorts if I get it set up. I've already taken that one loss, but I'm waiting.
Hmm.
Lucky Mon says, Celine, how are we looking for another short entry here? Well, I am waiting for a reaction on the 1 minute in the form of an inversion. It needs to be a pretty strong, because we have reacted in that 15-minute bullish gap, we traded back into it, respected the midpoint of that, and now we have a strong 15-minute candle. It's not like my favorite position to be short from now, but yeah, it would need to be a strong reaction on the 1 minute for me to like it.
I
We
just
shall
added a
see.
second micro.
Oh, he's adding.
Of course,
he's,
you did.
he's DCAing.
Yeah.
everything you shouldn't do, and he's doing it.
Yes, he
Exactly.
DCAs. He no surplus. It's crazy.
I'm an outlaw. What do you expect?
True.
Bogdan says, "Hey Celine, don't you see we are in a bullish trend? Look, I mean, yes, but we were also yesterday, and I still managed to take 180 points short. So just because we're bullish."
Get roasted, I think is the term for that.
Well, there's always people in the chat that want to come after me because I'm taking those reversal trades, and like people find it so hard to short sometimes when it's like bullish, high time frame bullish. But there's still you can definitely short when we're still bullish. That's what I'm gonna say.
Oh, he was trolling, apparently.
No.
Nice trolling. If nobody got it.
Well,
Are you
was the
guys
best.
coming to London at all in June or June?
Celine is.
Nice.
I will be there from Expo.
Nice.
I'm not sure yet.
Nick doesn't want to face me.
Nick, come on,
He's
just
scared.
fly on out.
Well,
It'll be fun.
the thing
We
is,
all
I
know you're
can't.
scared, Nick.
I can't on the 27th. That's for sure. But maybe on Sunday. So we'll see.
We'll get it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, forget it.
We'll just go fuck ourselves. Yeah. No worries.
You said it
Oh,
first.
good.
Message loud and clear, right, Celine?
Oh yeah. No, but all I'm hearing is he's scared. Like his form's not in the form. He's not built enough yet, and he doesn't want me
Well,
to see his form. So I get
Just
it.
really
Nick.
quick,
You need
Celine.
time.
Just really quick. I was the one who said, let's do the paddle match in London on the 28th. And you said, no, I'm not ready by then.
No, I said I'm going to be very busy in London. Is what I said. It's not about not being ready. I will just be very preoccupied.
Sure.
I can get the trip extended and we can do it after that day if you want.
I can't. You
Why
guys
not?
go ahead. I said I'm not free.
Now
See? See,
now
okay?
it's
Go
all the
ahead.
excuses.
See?
Oh, they're just.
Brother, Kane, you can be the
you can
ref.
come out
That's
early
all.
if you
You're not.
want.
I have a very busy June, July, August, September, October, and then I said you can be free at the end of November.
Hey, when are you free to meet up? So it's looking like November. Is that good with you?
Well,
That's actually how she
squeezing-
said it. It's not even kidding.
I'm squeezing things to make it work end of November. I said December is when I'm next week. But now I've made things work for end of November. So there you go, Nick. I did squeeze you in.
Wow, thank you. I'm so grateful.
You say you've made it work, but I feel like Nick's traveling to you.
Yeah, exactly it.
And also Claudia, she's traveling from the UK as well.
And my friend too, Chicken.
Yeah, that's true. Oh well. So
Nick,
happens
maybe
when
you
you're-
need to get Mariam. Balance it out a bit. You can just be the tall guy.
Then I'm definitely not gonna gamble 20k on it.
I don't know. I reckon Mariam's got a wicked back end.
I feel like she would have some power. I agree.
What the fuck happened to Yes just now? Yeah.
Yeah, Lulu, that's right.
Leia,
Machine Gun
Leia's
Killeen,
asking-
really busy being the CEO, huh?
that's right. Leia is asking anyone apart from Celine and Kane going. Yes, we've got a few of the Tradeify team going, but also a few from the chat. London Gang is going to be there. I know Kiz has bought tickets. A few of the guys in here.
Leah, is Kane and Celine not enough? I'm
I
confused.
know, actually. Like, that's all you need.
Just don't make any bets with Celine while you're there.
Shut up.
Celine and her dad.
Celine and her bets.
Compulsive need to gamble.
That's exactly what it is. Exactly what it
Hey,
is.
I had a nice Baccarat roll a few weeks ago. So,
Yeah.
That's true.
Banker or a player?
Oh, you got to mix it up. You got to read the table.
Oh no.
Got to read.
Only ever player.
Oh no. If
Oh, yeah.
anything, banker, but from time to time it's player. Yes. But I love this. Is just always we always end up talking about gambling on here.
Yeah,
Well,
it's fun.
well.
Well, we're all traders, aren't we?
True.
We're gamblers with a need to trade, yeah, I guess. As some people would argue.
Well, Leah says, I'll have to speak to my wife, see if I can leave her with 2 young kids alone. Maybe if I show her the new payout slip. Yeah, that's probably going to work.
Yeah, I would love to meet you, Leia. Make sure you, I mean, no pressure, but try and make it work. Because that would be sick.
Yeah, because if not, Celine's not free till November. So,
For real. This is the one chance you guys get.
Yeah.
Just letting you know, Celine is really busy for the foreseeable.
It's true. It's true.
Oh, poor Celine.
Yeah, I thank you. Thank you. I copied a lot on here, Nick. You
Yeah.
didn't
No, I
realize.
really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule in November. I really, really appreciate you. I'm actually writing a thank you letter. I'm in the process.
It's
Good.
going
Yeah.
out. It's going out in December.
I'll be waiting for that. Oh yeah, good. It's probably a good time. I'll be able to read it then.
Well, Santa's going to deliver it, so.
Oh great. I'll wait for that then. December.
Wait, Kane, are you good? Are you good at Mario Kart?
Good is probably like a massive. No, I'm not. No.
Okay.
Are you?
Do you game at all?
Like if I was to pick it up, I could play it, but like I'm not the type of person that knows like the shortcuts and all that stuff.
Okay.
You know?
Do you play FIFA?
No, absolutely dog shit at FIFA.
I would argue you're still better than Celine, though.
No, that's definitely not a bet I'm willing.
Well,
to make.
I'll give you some context. She lost with Real Madrid against me playing India. 1-star team against a 5-star team.
Oh, maybe then, yeah.
Wait, Kane, no, but the context there goes that I've never played FIFA on Switch, which I think is the stupidest console to be playing FIFA on. And I lost fair and square, that's fair, but also it's just like it's a Nintendo Switch. It's made for Mario Kart, not FIFA. So that's on that. And
Okay, some
we
more
are going to have a
context-
rematch.
Some more context around that. I said, okay, let's play on PS5. And she goes, I don't have a PS5. Yet she claims she can only play it on PS5. So
Because I
don't know.
told you I sold it when I left Melbourne. I got rid of my PS5 ages ago. You know that. That's why you're laughing. You know that I don't have it because I got rid of it. So
Damn.
I will get
This-
another one.
Am I getting paid for this therapy session? Like I'm just want to clarify.
I always have to defend myself on stream here. I'm always in the firing line. Anyway, whatever.
Do you guys play any games?
I haven't lately, but I was addicted, I will admit, to League on mobile. I was playing a lot of Wild Rift,
Oh, that yeah, fair.
but nothing much lately since I don't have the PS5 anymore. So only League. Nick's addicted to playing Age of Empires.
Oh yeah, fuck, love Age of Empires.
Fair.
What about you, Kane?
Not really. No, I haven't been playing anything really. I like TFT. Like I like to just play it in the
What's
background.
TFT?
It's like the MOBA chess version of League.
League, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to explain really, but it's just the not AFK, but it's not like you make a decision for 10 seconds and then wait a minute and then keep going. So it's kind of one of those games that I can just play. Like I have it on a second monitor, sound on. I know when it's my turn, can do what I want, But it's not a game. I don't really play anything that requires me to like lock in. But yeah. I've played Age of Empires and League and the mobile version of League. But yeah, I don't know. Haven't felt the urge to like sit there and play a lot of video games recently.
Fair. I mean, you
It'll
got 2 cute puppies, so
Yeah, it will
Play
come
them.
back, but
yeah. All right. This trade is in drawdown right now, chat. So let's see where this goes.
Where are
Okay,
you
I
looking to
anything else
add
up?
in?
I love how you now understand how I trade, Kelly.
Yeah, I'm like,
You're
you're
not
only
even
in two
asking
micros.
anymore about. You're not even asking anymore where my stop is, which is great. So
Nope.
well, at around 126 ish, if we go
Okay.
up there.
Damn.
Yeah, but you looking for anything else, Ken? Any other trades?
Honestly, I would prefer like a previous day high reject. That's probably the next trade for me. Like we're probably too far into this 4-hour candle now. I could see a pullback, but I would expect it to go and take out most of yesterday's highs, which would then give me that previous day high area that I want. So yeah, probably not, to be honest.
All right, fair.
What about you, Celine? You eyeing anything?
I'm waiting. I will continue to look for shorts. I'm now looking at these sort of relatively equal highs here in the 15 minutes, around like 29, 1 to the 6 area, 126. If we sweep those highs, and then get a nice strong reaction off that, I'll short that. But then next target would be a previous day high sweep, and then shorting off that next.
Yeah.
Waiting for the reversal. That's pretty much it. But I won't keep stabbing it. Okay.
No, that's fair. How have you adjusted with the time zone shift, if any?
It hasn't been too bad for the London session. The New York session I struggle with. It's literally only 2 hours from Bali, but it's that like 11:30 p.m. is now the New York session for me in Melbourne, and I just cannot, like, my brain is way too fatigued by that time to be trading. So I just have given up trading New York while I'm here. But yeah, the 2 hour difference for the London session is nothing. Like it's 4 to 7 p.m. here in Melbourne, so it's not bad.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think Greece is a really good time zone as well, just to trade in
Oh,
general.
it's so good. Yeah, I'll be 9 to 12 for the London stream, which will be nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Break up your morning very nicely.
Yeah, at least I can, because I've never lived in a place where I can trade from the morning. Oh, you good?
I'm good, don't worry. Yeah, that's fine.
I was going to say, I've never traded from a place where I can like wake up and trade and then have the rest of my day. It's always been like I have my day and then trade. So it'd be interesting to start my day off with trading and then be able to like just go and do whatever I want for the rest of the day, sort of thing. So yeah, it will be interesting. But I'm very much looking forward to the new hours when I move.
Which will be soon, huh?
Yeah.
Have you already found a place?
No, currently looking for rentals. But there are many options, so I'm not worried about that.
Wait, you're moving in 10 days, right?
There are places like we're in talks with some like rentals, some properties, but like we're not buying anything, so it will just be renting. So yeah, I'm just trying to get, like, we can move into anything, but I'm just trying to get whatever I want, like trying to get my
I get it. You gotta play liquid for the battle.
Yeah.
Whatever, Nick.
How's the rent in Greece? Is that Arno asking?
The rent in Greece is, I mean, it depends where you want to live. I'm moving to a city, so it's like, I think it's definitely still possibly cheaper than other cities in the world, obviously, if you compare to like London. What is it like? You could pay anywhere between, if you want like a villa, you could pay 10,000 US a month, or you can pay like
in Greece.
Oh yeah. Have you heard of places like on the coast in Athens, Cliffother, like beachside? That's like a really rich area, really nice coastal. Or in Thessaloniki, like if you want to live central, like right in the heart of the city, you can pay 5,000 for a nice place. Or if you want to live like more up in the hills, you can pay really cheap as well. It depends though. It depends what you want. It can be expensive though. I think people like are shocked at that. Rent and like the cost of buying a place in Greece has really gone up. Like it's not as cheap, I think, as it used to be.
Damn.
But yeah.
Amar says, I guess Greece is not bankrupt.
No, their economy is getting actually really. No, it's true. It used to be super cheap, but they are coming. Their economy has like really improved.
Crazy.
I couldn't get worse. So.
Oh yeah. But I mean,
You know.
I'm coming. I mean, I'm coming there with US dollar, or Australian dollar, so it's not the worst.
The Australian dollar.
The Aussie dollar. Oh wait, I'm just looking at it.
The monopoly money.
For real.
Wait, I want to short this. Damn it.
I'm still insured.
Here you go. You can do the 1 minute.
Okay. I have a sell limit now because I missed that market entry.
What's the AUD UST conversion rate right now?
It's not that great.
That must be bad.
It's hold on.
Oh, 0.7. That's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Dang, and the USD to the Swiss franc is 0.78 already. So AUD to Swiss franc is, oh god.
What?
One Swiss franc is 1.78 AUD.
Yeah, I pretty much paid double there. That's why I told you when I went to McDonald's in Zurich, I was crying.
Is the Swiss franc like the main currency used in Switzerland?
Yeah, we don't use. I mean, you can use euros as well, but nobody does that.
Yeah.
Just tourists. But yeah, I mean, Swiss franc is similar strength as the pound. So
Yeah. Most of the francs are, yeah.
one Swiss franc is 0.95 pounds
Yeah.
right now. So pound stronger.
I think I'm going to the Alps for Christmas this year.
Really nice.
Oh,
Where you go?
that'd be
Where are
nice.
you going?
I'm not sure yet. Either probably somewhere in like France,
Ah, okay, not
like Chamonix or something like that.
Swiss side.
No, I'm not sure yet. Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive though.
Ooh, that's a long drive.
Yeah, but I want to take the dogs, the Dukes.
Why not?
Yeah.
Wait, you don't want to take the dogs?
No, I do. No, I want to.
Oh yeah, that's why you're driving.
But
Yeah.
That's why I'm driving.
You can't take them on a plane?
You cannot. You'd have to put them
No.
in. I'd have to put them in the cargo, and I'm not doing
Ah,
that.
fuck yeah.
No,
that
don't
sucks.
do that.
Yeah. And actually, I could get like a French airline to, I don't know, or like a Swiss airline to somewhere in that region. But getting back is you're legally not allowed to have a dog in the cabin when you fly.
Really?
No,
I
can't
didn't
put
know
them
that.
in the car.
Yeah, you're legally not allowed. So like, I was looking at taking the dogs to Greece, right? And you can get a flight with, I don't know, a German airline, a French airline, a Greek airline, or any airline, no English airline. The moment you want to come back to the UK, no matter the airline, the dog cannot be in the cabin.
Dang, could have even on a private jet.
Oh, that's different, Nick. But
Okay, good.
yeah.
Just making sure.
But that's mainly because they don't have pressurized cabins for animals. So you actually have to have the pressurized cargo cabins. So they actually have to be in the cabin. So yeah, so if I want to take them anywhere, I can take them on an airline, but getting back it would have to be private because I just wouldn't put them in the cargo bit.
So you're saying they're not worth it for the private jet?
No, Selena quite literally said they would be worth it. I wouldn't do that to them. But
Just checking.
yeah, I know. But because France is close enough, I can just Eurostar, drive down.
Oh, they can go on the train?
Of course, yeah. I mean, the Eurostar, they just sit in the car with me.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be fun.
All right, Nasdaq. Want to come down?
I think that's like looking at you both and be like, "Fuck your shorts, I'm going up."
Yeah.
Sure looks like it right now.
I need to win a giveaway so I can then blow the account later. Same.
Oh boy. Well, we are going to do a giveaway, but only if you hit 801 likes.
Oh yeah, how many are we on?
We're at
Oh, what are we
655.
at?
They need to do some work here.
Wow.
Pathetic chat.
Yeah.
Let's see how many viewers. See how many people are slacking.
898.
Wow.
That's crazy work.
902 I can see. So
902,
Oh,
yeah.
sorry. I haven't
you
refreshed.
guys. 801 is nothing.
What's the peak concurrent viewers during London?
We got over like roughly 1,000.
I think 1,100 was peak
Yeah.
so far.
Kane, what
We're a
instrument
pretty
are
big
you gonna
deal around
trade
here,
in the
Kane.
cup? You guys are the deal. Not the big deal, just the deal. What instrument are you going to trade in the cup? I don't know. Probably NQ. Which one is going to shoot me in the foot? Because everyone's trading silver. Yeah.
That's actually,
No,
speaking of rank up, let's
NQ.
look at the leaderboard real quick.
Yeah.
All right, we got still Can Leader in first place with $30,902 in profit. Right now, rank 1000 has, because that's the important stuff. Rank 1000 is now over 9K, 9,017. That's incredible.
That's nuts. Yeah, it's nuts.
That's actually nuts.
I'm about to get stopped. Goodbye. Thank you.
Well, what should I say about that? Can't get stopped without a stop, right?
Just can't do it, Nick. Are you on funded?
Sure.
I cannot. Wait, if I don't get stopped here, this might be the goat of all stop losses. My stop loss is at 29095.75.
That would be
And
coded.
that high... Wait, that high was 095. A tick. A tick away from that stop.
Man.
Let's see it dump now.
Yeah. Sell it all, chat.
Aroli was asking about something about your indicators, Kane. I don't know what though. Let me see the comment.
What was the question?
Oh, I was just asking what indicators you use.
Oh, I just use a higher time frame one that's color coded for me, so I can just look at it. I have a premium discount indicator and an Asian range indicator. That's kind of it, really.
Are you ever trading Asia session?
No, never really. Like very, very rarely. When I'm in Miami, I typically trade Asia more. Like it'll be like 7 o'clock. I'll be like, oh, this looks good, and then it's not, and then I spend it all afternoon, all evening, pouring out of whatever drawdown I got myself into.
Fair.
Gold during Asia is better though, in all honesty.
Yeah, I haven't been trading gold, but I do see it move crazy in Asia.
Why are you not trading it? Because you have been trading it in the past, right?
Yeah, I don't get the setups I sort of like. I feel like gold in Asia just like moves, and I'm obviously waiting for like that sweep and reversal sort of setup. So I haven't honestly been watching it as well. So
Yeah.
two things there. I haven't fully been watching it.
She's been
But in London,
practicing
I
paddle.
will. Yeah, but in London, I will look at gold. Like actually, I haven't looked at gold today.
Rohan says, that's it for me on the Grand Cup. I reached 7K and boom. Dang, Rohan. Dang.
Damn.
Rick trades. No, you don't need to have accounts with Tradeify to participate in the Grand Cup. It's free for everybody.
Oh, there's my stop. Sad. Okay.
Ah, damn it, Celine.
Damn
Machine
it.
Gun Killeen.
Yeah, not looking good.
Are you a Machine Gun Kelly fan?
No, Nick made that one up for me.
Oh,
She's Machine Gun Colleen. That's her outlaw name. What's your outlaw name, Kane?
I don't know. I'll let chat decide.
Imagine
Alright,
people
chat.
think I'm a Machine Gun Kelly fan. That's actually people are gonna.
What's
Well,
wrong?
you are. You said you are.
What's wrong with Machine Gun Kelly?
No, nothing wrong. But like,
Oh,
I
right.
mean, maybe people think I've literally made that my name because I'm some super fan, but I'm not.
I just added another
So,
micro to my tray, by the way.
If you say so.
we might have to change my nickname, Nick.
Yeah. No. Candy Cane. Candy Cane is outlaw name. Fire. Wild Cane, the dog tamer. Masked Cane. The Caner.
We can,
That was Roman, the Kana.
Cocaine.
Celine
Max
the Butcher.
Cane. Oh.
are you
Max
the
Cane.
dictator is in the dictator?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, though, my
There's a
outlaw
few-
name is No Stop Loss Butcher, so. The cocaine is funny.
K9. Wait,
K9.
K9 is good because of your
K9's
puppies.
actually good with the dogs. True. Kane East. Sugar cane. The walking
No, walking cane. Oh no, you come with the cane ones.
Kane the Conqueror. Oh yeah. I saw, I conquered. How many accounts you have blown, Nick? Cody 93. Well, since I've been trading like this, like 2.
Since you've been trading,
No, since I've been trading like this.
you've only ever
Found
blown
it.
2 accounts in your entire life, Nick. Wow, you are
Yeah.
the goat.
I love how
Mhm.
Cody says as well that he trades exactly the same as you. Like he knows all the trades you take throughout your day.
Yeah, apparently he doesn't because I haven't blown up accounts like him. Harry Kane.
Good to see an Australian trading.
Yeah, there are very few of us. That's fair.
It's like
Shout out to the Oz.
you're a museum piece. It's like good to see it. You know, it's great to see that one.
Yeah, I think Candy Cane it is. Candy Cane. is
No, I
pretty
like
sweet.
K9. K9.
What do you like, Kane?
Who cares what Kane likes?
Doesn't matter what I like. Yeah.
That's right. K9.
How many accounts have I lost? Several hundreds over my time.
Yeah,
I am
we
not
all-
in hundreds. That's no word of a lie. I'm a very slow, like when I was first starting to trade, I did not trade evals like most people do where they blow them and just try to pass them. I would use them as like a testing ground practice for my trading. So I sat on evals for months. So I actually don't have a big amount of accounts I've blown because I took it very slow. But at least like, I don't know, 50 at this point would be a good guess.
Yeah, mine is actually the same, but it's actually later on when I kind of found success. I would buy them and just, flip them basically. That's
Fair.
where the most of my
Yeah.
failures come from.
But you also got the mega payout, so
Yeah, I mean it's, I would say if if I would have kept track like roughly, I would say like up to the payout, I'd blown like maybe like 40, 50, 60 accounts. After that, it's like, it went, it gets into the hundreds because at that point I don't need to worry about buying them.
yeah, true.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But I think as a golden rule, everyone should respect them because if you don't do that, you'll quickly spend money that you don't realize how quickly you can spend it if you start to flip them. And I think that practicing good behavior is only ever going to set you up for success.
True.
These guys are still giving me nicknames.
Yeah, I can't trade.
Hurricane. That one's pretty good, but
Hurricane, yeah.
How tall am I? I am 196 centimeters. And yeah.
I'm still growing.
It's pretty. I don't know about that one anymore. I think I'm done. I'm out of the grow bag.
We don't know. You could have one of those crazy summers where you just come back like double.
8 foot.
$196 Kane.
These guys, the Kane nicknames. I think we're good. I think we got some good ones.
I think we found some, yeah. Kane in a memory.
Trader Sue says sling your setup trade on gold. Check it. All right, let's see how well you know my setup, Sue. Let's see.
John Kane is pretty good too.
No setup. Nope. Why is that?
Why not?
Wait, let me check something.
I think it might
Could
be.
the settings. Oh yeah, it was. Nice. There is a short. I would have probably been in that short there on gold actually. But I don't like that it's in the middle of the Asia range. I prefer it to sweep the Asia high there.
Full View Trading is asking Machine Gun Killeen, how long have you been trading futures for?
Almost in October will be 3 years.
Damn.
So not a whole lot. Still new at this.
Kane, read Nico Han's comment.
Oh my god.
I thought we've moved on from that.
I also want to apologize if I upset you last time when I brought that back up.
No, I was actually so devastated. That was really my worst moment on stream, and you had to bring it up again.
I know. Yeah. I think when I brought it up the second time, I think you actually got upset with me, and I felt bad.
That's why I didn't respond to your message.
Yeah, I could tell.
This guy. No, it's all good. It's all good. We move on. Guys who were there, chat, we don't talk about that.
It was funny. You had to be there. It's not that funny.
It was innocent as well, guys. I was just tired, and that's all that was.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Happens to everybody, as we found out.
Does it? I've never said that. Ever. But, you know, each Sharon.
I was tired, guys. The words weren't coming out. They just weren't.
Yeah, it's all right.
The vocab just wasn't there.
Yeah, T4G, that's right. Literally every single host has slipped up.
Oh yeah, Nick has had his moments on here too.
Oh, I had a funny one. Yeah.
They make the stream authentic and real. If it was too polished, it would be shit. So
yeah, like there is no script involved here at all. And I tell you guys, like, especially like since we've gone the 3 hours, that last like half an hour, if you want to slip me up, do it then, because I'm a little fatigued. Let's put it that way. A little fatigued by the end of the 3 hours. But.
Yeah, my soundboard moment was the worst one.
Or when you read out that comment in the chat, most comment.
Most comment?
Yeah, it was Mo that got you the first time. It's in your introduction.
Oh yeah, true. No, but that wasn't as bad as the soundboard one. Come on.
Yeah, the soundboard was pretty bad. Kane, there was a soundboard. There was an option for the sound. It was just called huge, and Nick thought it was.
I thought it was Trump's face on it, so I thought it was just huge. And I never pressed it before. And Celine is talking, and I press it, and the sound effect goes, "Your boobs are huge."
No way.
And the timing was just ridiculous. It was out of nowhere. That was bad, Nick.
That was funny.
That's great.
So he barely experiments with the soundboard anymore.
No. I just play what I know. I learn from my mistake. Gorav says, Nick, your account is gone. Well, Gorav, I'm down $240. How's my account gone?
Well, because your account is $240. You were full leveraged and that's it.
I see.
Yeah.
No pain, no gain.
Nah. Bogdan says you're getting cooked, Nick. Uh-oh. Well, Bogdan, maybe you're right, maybe you're not. Let's see.
Time to add.
It's always a good time to add if somebody says you're cooked.
Are you outlaws directly in round 2 or do you have to qualify? We bought our way into round 2. I didn't want to tell anyone, but yeah, we actually had to pay to be outlaws.
Right, you can say it here. It's fine.
The $5,000 is actually our money, and that's our participation. Yeah.
See, I do pay up, chat. I paid to be in round 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, though, Brett told me yesterday probably Celine won't be in round 2 because she still hasn't paid the invoice.
He told me that as well. He actually asked me if I wanted to front her. I said no. I said no, mate.
Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, time for receipts. Trader Nicolan's asking. You guys
I got many
chat
already.
with Brett?
I got many receipts. Don't you worry about that. I got for today 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, I was talking about receipts from your conversation with Brett, but sure,
I've
you've
got
other.
NDA. I can't actually even speak about it. I already messed up, so sorry.
It's okay. I got you. You never said it.
Yeah, thanks.
It's not like we're live or anything, and this is recorded.
Roman's already scrubbing it from the tape. He's on side with us. Don't
Yeah, it's
worry.
already deleted.
Yeah, it's already gone. We only leave the things that you mess up on.
Yeah, I figured, and we bring them back up.
I didn't do it this time. I learned from my mistake. I was upset that I upset you. So
whatever. We move on, Kane. I'm over it.
Misty, what's my biggest payout? Well, in one payout, 55k.
Damn, can I hold $20?
No, well, I got a whole 20 from you. I know what your payout was.
Damn. MG Colleen and not paying is some real outlaw stuff. True.
That's right.
Very on theme.
Facts.
Roman, can you also write off my taxes? Yeah, Roman, if you can do that, we should have a conversation, my friend.
Roman can do anything. Yeah. He's fucking Russian. So.
That's true. He's got contacts everywhere.
Yep.
Well, thank you. Definitely not giving us the shorts right now. That's for sure. Chat, are we in any trades? Who's in the longs? Because if you guys faded, you're probably up some nice dollars. Oh, it's
Double
gold
bounty.
melting? Of course
Is
it
it?
is. Let's have a look. Oh, relax. I love how they say melting, but it's moved like it's not even. It's barely moved.
It's like 3 points, yeah.
Maybe they're from the future. And in 5 minutes, it's going to be down 100 points.
Damn, that makes me want to short. Paris Solid says no trades here, just watching you guys gamble. Yeah, well, look, I had a stop loss. So Kane and I both had a stop loss.
Yeah,
We're
I
not
had
the
a stop
gamblers
loss
around
as
here.
well.
There's only one gambler around here.
Yeah, fuck the gamblers. Anybody without a stop loss is a gambler, clearly.
Facts. Yeah, Nick's right, by the way.
Yep. I have proof.
And honestly, I have stop loss all of the time, and I also get called a gambler. So, damned if you do, damned if you don't.
Can't win. Garden Design Pictures says he's short at 29,130. Okay. Well. Wait, 29,130. You must have been in this for a while. We haven't been at 29,130 all day, I'm pretty sure.
I just added another micro, by the way, speaking of gambling. We're in 4 now.
It's getting heavy.
Sure.
Dorian saying, do you guys trade GC? I will sometimes. It's not my favorite asset to trade. It's like secondary only if NQ is really not giving me anything. I will look to GC, but barely ever. Like I can probably count maybe like less than 10 trades this year on gold. Kane? I don't know if you trade gold.
Very, very, very rarely. Like it has to be super clean for me to get involved in gold. And to be honest, also just the fact is that I very rarely look at it. So it has to be that rare time I look at it and it has to be clean, you know, so very rarely.
And Nick, I know you don't these days.
No. Wait, Amir is asking, is Kane still unable to see you guys?
Yeah, I have to look at the stream, yeah.
Oh, so we're like delayed.
I can hear them, but I can't see that. I can hear them in real time, but I see them in the future.
That's the more important thing.
What's in your back room? You just have your charts.
Just my chart, yeah.
Strange.
At least you can hear us, though.
Yeah, because I couldn't hear Nick the first time,
That's
but
weird.
I could hear Selena.
Yeah, that was
see
weird. So you
everyone's
could see me.
I could
That's
see
weird.
you, hear you, see everything, but couldn't hear Nick.
Strange.
Yeah,
Okay. Kane is hearing voices, that's right.
I'm not even here. It's all a simulation.
I'm just gonna check on the like count because we don't have
731.
31. Yeah.
Oh, come on, guys. Come
Not
on,
far.
you're actually 70 likes off of another giveaway, so you should just hit the like button.
And you have like 5 minutes to reach it.
Yeah, so like everyone right now, hit the like button. If you've already hit the like button, don't do it again because that has the opposite effect.
Could you imagine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Amir says Kane is not vaping anymore. I just realized.
You literally vaped like friggin' 10 times during the stream. What are you talking about?
Oh no shit. I have not been watching.
Yeah. Well, no, I do. I haven't given that up. Sorry. Maybe next year.
Maybe.
Do people always comment on your vaping?
People comment on everything, Celine. I think you know this.
Yeah, they have to.
This is true.
Most of like my chat, they have like adopted it. They haven't started vaping. I don't want to encourage that, but they've like, what flavor is it? Oh, you're in a trade. Hit the vape. The vape makes it go better. You know, like they kind of play on it now.
Oh, that's cool.
Beats 021. I haven't received the giveaway account for the 100k sub special. Help. When was that?
When did you hit 100k subs? You're 122, so I would assume.
That wasn't long ago.
I think
then.
last Friday.
Oh wow, you gained 20k subs in a week?
Yeah, I mean Grand Cup effect.
True, yeah.
It was a Friday though. I'm pretty sure it was last Friday.
Beats, I'm screenshotting your message and sending it to the team.
That's great though.
Mm-hmm.
20k subs in like a couple of weeks. It's crazy.
Yeah,
work,
it's
guys.
wild. What are we now? 122, yeah. 122.
Misty.
You guys paid on the performance of the stream. You know, if not, we can maybe renegotiate.
True.
You know?
Misty said before, "Oh Nick, if I ever face you in the Grand Cup, I'm gonna beat you so easy." And now you're asking me if I think you can beat Celine. Misty, you're gonna get absolutely smoked.
Yeah.
By me.
Like, by Celine, yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
That's right.
I have faith, you know, like I have Celine's back unless I face her, then she's gonna get smoked. But
I would let you win, Celine. I want to see my friend succeed.
Oh, would you? All right.
I would.
Well, I hope I'm up against one of you.
But then he's gonna send you a $4,000 invoice after.
What would the 4,000 be for?
The money you already owe me, but
I thought we wiped that.
But I think you think we wiped that because that's the way that I think that you
I
would
can't
like
be
that to
owing
go.
all this money, and
I know it's crazy, right? You keep making these bets. It's
Like,
silly.
I don't know. I might have to just...
If everyone cashes everything in, you might have to go bankrupt.
Yeah, I mean, she owes
like
Sputnik $16,000. So
no, we
Still?
wiped that.
Oh, you wiped out with Sputnik. Yeah.
Is he aware of that, or
The only
just
thing we have on the line that I have on the line is the paddle bet. That is all I'm aware of. If anyone's made bets under my name that I'm not aware of, then that's another story. But I've only agreed, and we have witnesses to the paddle bet. That's all I'll say.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Sure.
Yeah. I also make bets and just never pay them. That's how I work.
Hey, you're trustworthy. I like that.
No, it's okay. I forgive you, Celine. I forgive you.
Yeah, that's in the past now. After
He
you brought
forgives
up
you, but he doesn't
that,
forgive your debt.
after you brought up my slip on stream, I feel like that's an immediate debt has been wiped.
Oh, really? Is that how it works? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's also how she pays her taxes.
You sent me a letter? No, not paying it. That's it. You gave me trauma.
That was pretty bad. Come on, that was bad.
I didn't say it. I didn't bring it up either. At least this time.
Yeah, true. Can we get the likes? We need 30 more. Technically, the latest we need them by is in 3 minutes at 9:55 UK time.
Okay, so just get liking, guys.
Yeah, 30 more likes.
There's not a lot of time.
You can do it. Maybe not.
This might be an extra big giveaway too, because Kane's here, and he always likes
Wait.
to.
Celine. Whoa,
True,
chill.
it's true. We do that a lot. When I'm
chill.
here, we peer pressure Nick into doubling, tripling.
10x.
We even did a 5x one. Someone won
Yeah,
50k directs, I think.
Nick's probably messaging me in the back, shut up.
Actually, remember I was on 2 weeks back to back and we did 5x twice. And
Yeah,
we did twice. I remember that. Yeah.
You did.
Five lightning funded. Yeah.
That's a bit much.
That was Mo. Yeah. See, Mo flows here.
Mo was the guy who actually got me. He baited me into saying things I shouldn't have said on stream.
Yeah, between him and a guy called Lulu in the chat, they're really good at baiting, and it ends up being really bad.
Why? What did they do?
Well,
I wonder if Mo can retype his message to see if Kane.
I mean, they got Sputnik to congratulate Klee for her birthday. Her last name is Taurus, by the way.
Oh wow, yeah. I'm not falling for that ever. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but there's a couple ones that are really good.
There was a mic one that I got because I know all the mic ones. Really,
that was the funniest shit ever.
Except for this one
shit ever. She really in the same stream said, "You're never gonna get me with a mic one. I know all the mic ones." Literally 20 minutes later, she got caught by one. That was so funny.
And in the sentence, he had mentioned another prop firm, so I beeped the prop firm because I didn't want to say the name. And then I went on to read the rest of the sentence, which
he got you.
I was
He got you with Mr. Oxmall. That was a good one.
Oh yeah, Oxmall. That's right. Oh my gosh, Mr. Oxmall.
Amir is asking Kane, did it take you a long time to get your first payout?
Decent enough. Like my first prop was a CFD prop. They're more expensive. I think I like failed 2 before I got a payout, and at the time, like my mentality of like passing in a few days or like a few weeks was kind of. It was definitely more like a few weeks. I would like nurse an account through. So I would say from buying my first account, I would say it probably took me like 4 or 5 months to get a payout. But again, getting them passed took a while as well. And failed, actually.
Fair. Hey, we got the like goal.
We did?
Meantime. Yeah. So,
damn,
chat,
they really
here are the rules.
they really clutch it, don't they, at the last minute?
Right
Yeah,
at the
always.
last minute.
Always. So here are the rules. If you want to participate in this giveaway, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I drop the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, what the Google form is, how the Google form is, what form I am in, you'll get disqualified, or any questions along that. And now, after I just explained these rules, if you ask me how to enter the giveaway, you'll get disqualified as well. So don't do that. Here's the link. Good luck.
Damn.
Good luck.
So Nick,
Yes.
what is the giveaway going to entail? Obviously, we have to do something better than one. So
I would say let's spin the wheel and see how many we're going to give away.
or we're going to have like a wheel that decides how many.
Yeah, but let's throw some like 5s in there.
Yeah, but
Fives?
like it has
It's
to
the
be a
King
5.
special.
There has to be a
It's the King
5. I'm
special.
sorry, there just has to be.
Okay, but
Celine, sorry.
okay. But that means we're gonna add. Okay, we're gonna do 3 1s. We're gonna do 2 2s. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do 4 1s.
No, 4 1s is too much, Nick.
No,
Come
no, no,
on,
no,
that's
no,
too
no,
much.
listen,
It's too much.
listen.
It's too much. Too much.
4
4
1s,
1s.
3 2s, 2 3s, and 1 5.
I think 1 less 1. That's too much. Like, I think there has to be at least a max. Sorry, 3 1s.
All right, so 3 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, and 1 5.
Yeah, I think that's fair. Chat, you think that's fair?
I like that.
Yeah, no. You guys are obviously going to be like, no, it's not fair. Put 5 5s in and 53 5s and
That's
10.
exactly what they're gonna say.
Yeah, they don't
so
get
yeah,
much
I
choice.
think that's fair. Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
let's spin it.
Okay.
So we are giving away today with Kane 2 accounts. Okay, 2 accounts.
Two's fair. Two's fair.
2's fair. Wait, to the same person or 2 separate ones?
Nah, to the same. Come
To
on.
the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kane. All right. You want some of you to get rich.
I ended the giveaway. Come on.
You ended.
No, I never
All
ended the giveaway. Can you imagine I won? They'd be like, it's rigged. Oh my gosh. That's so bad.
All right, I'll copy everybody over to the wheel. We're gonna give away 2 accounts. We don't know which ones though. It could land on you suck, so that means you suck twice.
I think we removed the you suck. The like goal was pretty.
No, we'll
pretty
leave it
good.
just for shits and giggles.
Okay.
All right, the winner of 2 accounts in this giveaway is
Trade again. No, I'm kidding.
AM1RM1. Is that Amir?
Amir M1. That's how I would read that. Amir
Yeah.
M1.
That's what I'm saying. Is it Amir?
Congrats.
Maybe. Type something in the
Amir?
chat. It's probably not that Amir though.
No,
Split it into 2. You wouldn't be saying that if you won, would you, Benji?
Oh, there's Amir.
Oh, yeah.
But it's a different one. It's a different one. All right. So let's see what you win. It's either going to be a growth, a select, or like, why do I have the feeling it's going to be 150k lightning? Well,
Let's do
spin
it. Come on. Oh, select.
150k select.
Select? That's
Jeez.
nice.
That's great, actually.
Oh, that's great. Amir, you get 2 150k select accounts, which is massive. So all you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account, and be a bit patient because it's going to take up to 7 days for us to send you your accounts. But 250k selects coming your way. Absolutely massive. Congrats.
Congrats, brother.
Fire. Thanks to Kane. Say thanks to Kane, Amir. He did that. All right.
Who said thanks, money? You're welcome.
My trade is only 13 points in drawdown. Look at that. But with that giveaway win, I would say put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated it. And of course, put 2 W's in the chat for Kane and him being a guest on stream today. He's a legend, you know it.
Appreciate you guys having
him on. Now, before we leave, Kane, any last motivational words for the chat?
No. Next week you're all gonna lose, so I guess enjoy the rest of your week.
Damn.
I'm mainly speaking for Celine because she's gonna be on a heater. You know,
I am ready. Bring it on.
Yeah.
Both of you. I'm ready.
Yeah. Well, let's hope you don't get me. I'm playing it down. You know, I'm warming up right now. So.
All right. Let's see.
You
never know.
He's playing silver right now. I know.
Yeah, I'm actually in the background just scalping silver on the 15 seconds. So. Yeah, it's true. Next Friday. No, I appreciate you all. Thanks for having me as always. It's always a pleasure. You guys are always fun.
Always fun having you. Colleen, Machine Gun Colleen, any last words for the chat?
I'm being very careful, very selective of my words here from the last time. But thank you, chat, as always. Roman in the back. Shut up, Roman. No, I appreciate having you on, Kane. We joke, but we love having you a part of the London session. And guys, of course, yes, I did take the 2 L's. That is life. We're not always gonna take the W's in trading, and it is normal. Let's bring back losses. That is a normal thing in trading. But yeah, keep in there. Those guys who are in the top 100, keep focused, keep locked in. You guys just need to be in the top 1,000 to make it through to round 2. Just remember that. But I will see you same time, 7 a.m. UK tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace out.
All right. See you later in the New York stream. Peace.
Ciao.